kijing shisha Kiong jing duk kadai kadau ka batang lak nyingi gunung yang koi ceklia ka thong kample ka lak lenti ka bangi kwa panle kam long ka chusa kut tang hangi la dangi wa de kadau tandai baro kadai na kijing bisni ba jing lorni blak le lang barka jing ibet ngalang ya baskap ya ki kanana chutur jing ibset menyo lorni menyo bisni ala ka por kim ken tang lak kenjat ya jing bakla jing ikil proy ber penrem nu bi kwa ya ka jing ba haba pindang tamban bet kijing pi hun kijing isi kala po chai tikrai bi mo bam du ya la kari la kum kitu ki kun jan ren Lajak pila kedua Sebab kecing keren ben Takkan mampu play na jong ya jing bakla jong iu ken na ngap ya jing keno ki biwa ya ki tien ki ban penrem Tu ya hakalin tila jong do mesim ka basyat hem Lada jing e hangi kan wan hang tangin yang scam Tu ya hakal jing cai u play kena ba u tu un pet rem Ngak ngutu kumnu kalong lada pidu je kermen Pak kumnu ka ketak ya ka jing mut aradon ki bapen Nlai ya sur ceprang ai ba jing mut jong ti kan ya hem Kecing isi kecing ibeng ka sajarang agum ketedam Lada jing jong beton am sim jong piwa jing keluar berpendam Bila benong ka papi kwa lada jing mut jing scam Apre ka jing ya le tek tek ni hapan ma ya ka jing rem Nlai ka pa benong ya pi hep wa tu je kermen Tuhon ya ka papi yo piton ya lam sim tu pen kemen Ukun je rang ni menga de ya la ka sak jing insay Wala jikang ka la ka perking ta ka bo king insay Hapa sim
home and let's go up mau kendian tu ani kelas awak pelan up kendian mo up kendian tang kendian hi okay kan no 16,000 okay welcome to my stream all of you first of all welcome to my stream all of you tang bam takas ngi pi ngakam stream ada account na jong well it's my account only udi account jong hi tang ba account thamai Pak Grezen, welcome to my stream nang ta one welcome to my stream KL Gaming YT1X99 John Ray Monkey Real Gaming Channel NK Channel KHASI Gamer Pretty Maring nang ta Mishanki nang ta Crow FF Jovial Nidahun Sungo ini Nichwa Masar Kitbox nang ta kini perkoi welcome to my stream Badu Mukim welcome to my stream Kitbox Star Setting welcome to my stream all of you welcome all of you Banshan Bor Langkongai welcome to my stream Ohi Paya welcome to my stream nang ta Delicious welcome to my stream Arnong Bri welcome to my stream and Kit Channel tu ada pulirim nya Meban JR welcome to my stream NL Khasanti welcome to my stream PSL hello Dora hi kumno Kendroid Gaming welcome to my stream nang ta SLP Group Comedy welcome to my stream K Nongrang welcome to my stream Ankarshan welcome to my stream Ne abor lang ini one me welcome to my stream nang ta BGMI PUBG Lava welcome to my stream 1K KHASI welcome to my stream all right as always okay ngan sa I redeem code si bendal apoy ka let's complete first of all ngin target shwa kat nu ka like ngam tip ra let's see kat nu ngila ban poy ka like ta kambi ani nu microphone jang ala thut ta kada views ngol nga kerem tu views ngol ni am la dang kerem gum tu la views ngol sa ong mo okay 1 2 3 checks there check all right habibi welcome to my stream Shaiti Adrian ngas ngodan ki bong man pa apin ka channel jong ka channel link menta hapo ka stream mo teng ini page nu sham tu apsha khandian tu Okay, where are we, Habibi? Where are we? Shing done. Kabitri ro ngam dan ra, tengin lekum no. Adrian, short stream ibang ra, te kam kamay di short Adrian lekum no kayaknya hapar kari ka kamay ong. Ngin lekum no kin darling, oh my darling, shim katari boy donut jong. Do ani kampat dap she spotlight them push spotlight de kumno I know you guys want redeem code right pi kwat redeem code em kan I redeem code bali ni drian ngakam I moderator semua ya drian habadi channel thamai tamo jang drian hi Dora oi welcome to my stream no IT bali fi delete friend nga he em de ne pet unia ude oi account. This is my new account. Okay, this is my new account. So Utuway account nga klam online. You mean to say this one, right? Let me show you. This one is my real account actually. This one. Uni nga klam lek kai man takas ni. Te nga le da uni way. PUEM. Ta hoy nga klam lek kai ru ni man takas ni nga le da uni way. Da uni ID for sale. Ta nyo pulai level. Ta arpo hajar. Spalai pulai like. Lada pikwa mo. Pi klam tre lek kai bat ngi ha. Pi ong le sama ban lek kai bat fi. Rick Morong, hello KHASI DORA. Oi, fast nam sa. Hello, oi, welcome to my stream. Why parking? Welcome to my stream. Not East tribal people. Welcome to my stream. Pachna room no okay. And pachna room no kloi kloi. Tang baka like double tap ega screen mo, double tap ega screen. Then after that, boom. And sa I redeem code ifisya. Thank you so much mo. Lapoy kan ru haja subscribe jing syang lamut ban stream ndu man Sunday. Tang ba man Sunday lapoy miet palan. Ta Monday. Rukum jo hi Monday ang naso thai Tuesday ang naso thai. Finally ngipoy man takas ngimo. Anyway, it's okay. Peni skin kan gato account. Okay, ta ap ngan peni mo. Even me too, I haven't checked it yet. Nga ru ngampat check ra kalongum no. Ap ngin check man ta. Nga check lang hapo stream mo. All right. Ngin pay. Love from Garo Hills. Thank you so much. And welcome to my stream. Thank you. Okay. Kok Langin says, okay, sure, I will. This is my new account actually. I mean, it's just like that. Okay, don't take it personal. Ngin pa ika skin gan hani mo. Ya like tar ho. Right, kloi, light no kloi. 100 light, then I'm gonna give you guys redeem code. Yes, I'm gonna give you guys redeem code. 100 light. Okay, let's target for it first of all. Nang tawa sa singly, welcome to my stream. Nang tadiban sa ukmi, welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Retro. Last dang slam ka stream Dora. Pas slam ra ka stream naman tan pangi. Sorry mo kasur nga ba yung kli na balay na ngalong ta. Anyway, nga try pitang lasong tula biyang hi. KHASI Party channel oy. Nang tap de yay up kami oy. Namaru tuwe balay nga wan hani ang. Number 2 way la dap friend na kadaw mla sure ban chim friend ni pi brok khoi tanga hap thiet tu account na kadaw ban chim friend ni fi sia baru khoi te kitu bom don bala don friend how to account then I send friend request you can how ni account mat send no ki way mo hang ne mli le ra ka sur les ngobang pha okay. Can you teach me KHASI language? I mean, yes, of course I will. Why not? It's not a problem, right? Ay, Adrian, kasur ka pair badang si deplok nila susi kadang Adrian tomo plok pa tomo asak mo. Okay, you guys wanna check my skin gun, right? Okay, even we two haven't checked it yet, but let's see. Okay. Katu nang ta kani ka M4A1 idon natilingam tip ra katu. Oh my god, this one is cute. It's same, but different. Kani kala pa level you an la pa level 4 do kani iki. Ngani 2 EP ngayo tat bahay ni account taga daw nga sim lagi sim basa day. Hi, skin is nothing, skill is something, okay, but skin sometimes is something too. Yeah, skin sometimes is something too. Item code P, okay, to P ako check ang skin gun P ang check siya skin gun tenga pani siya skin gun lat P ko aban I redeem code tengan ayungan sa I redeem code if you say okay, let's complete 100 guys first of all. After that I'm gonna give you guys a redeem code, okay? Yeah, we will do 30 first of all, and again 30, and again 30. Okay, I'm gonna give you 100. 90 rupees redeem code tonight. Okay? Yes, Habibi. Ani karyam. Kani full bundle balongom no kani ngam padiira. Oh, wow, bunny. I like it. Best way gato. Nanti akloy mendagamit hoy. And haban tiak loy minta kami and off no ka stream aswa ka khatar baje, so don't mind about it, okay? I'm gonna off the stream before 12, and after that we will what to say enjoy. Thank you so much, okay? Thank you so much for 16k subscriber kulishi bun ema namta ka khandru aja subscriber ikamen mat pelakai hoy tangan pelakai. Wow, tip top rare account, really? I got it in a very cheap price, okay? Because he sold it in urgent. I mean, he need urgent money. That's why he just sold it just like that. So I got it. Ha. Yeah. Shisha pila day bans dang na du menye Dora ngam pat yo pet ngam yo pet show e ka stream pi bali kum taba retro. Hello, I panel lang sis. Okay, you want panel? You can inbox me. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Ha ha ha. And now you got the offer. Yes, because it's Christmas time and you got offer. Okay, if you want it, then I will give it. Don't worry. It's not that much costly. You can buy it. I know. I know. Do 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 do. Ulah auto film mo. Nimbun itu imut ba rendang tu buyau longgum no. Oh boom, the bomb. Oh my gosh, wow. And this one? And this one? Oh, this one too. This one too. Oh, it's CR7. I don't know this one too. Oh my god, so many emote. Okay, let's forget about the emote first of all, okay? Come no? Okay, make room. 70 of us were watching. Oh gosh, really? Okay, first of all, I'm gonna create a custom like 6 versus 6. After that, I will create a full map custom, okay? Full map custom, yes, the winner will get 30 rupees redeem code and I will give you guys. Don't worry. I will give you, don't worry. You don't need to worry, okay? Thank you, Habibi. Thank you. Thank you. Password is always 69, okay? You know that. The call picture yang ada hapo stream na yang lem no. Okay, we are gonna play 6 versus 6, okay? And wait ngakeren lang daga pareng na margidon batki ki garuruhan mo. So I'm really sorry, I have to speak in KHASI and in English, okay? And the password is 69. Yeah, password is 69, okay? I'll remember that. Whenever there is a giveaway or something, password will be always 69. But the room ID I will give you guys. Wait, first of all. Apa? Nanta advanced setting nang to. I think you guys know the rule, right? I don't need to choose the gun. You can choose it yourself. Let's play 6 versus 6. Okay, I'm gonna give you this ID. You can invite me in your friend list if you want to. Okay, 1 2 1 2. 69 password or position? Yeah, maybe both. Who know? Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 2 3. How are you, Narayan? I'm fine, thank you very much. Thank you for visiting my stream. How are you? I miss you too, man. One of the cutest English I ever heard. Big fan. Really? I mean, my pronunciation is not that good actually, but I'm gonna try, okay? Don't mind my accent, it's not that much perfect. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna give you. Okay, 6 versus 6. Yeah, it's 6 versus 6. I'm gonna give you room ID if you guys are ready, but first of all, let's complete a 70 like, okay? Oh my god, 71 finally. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1 2 3, and the room ID is, wait, I'm gonna give you, don't worry. Oh shit, where is that? Like seriously, how? Okay, I'm gonna give you, okay, the room ID. Now 1 2 3. I'm gonna give you guys. Yeah, already given. So come on. Join it. What's your server? Actually, it's Indian server. You can join too. It's Indian server. You can join too if you want. Come on, it's alright. We can play together, right? Ricky, welcome to my stream. RNG4, welcome to my stream. Who is this? Where are you from? Your voice is so malicious. Actually, I am from Northeast. Yeah, you can. Oh my god, PC player is here. 2 PC players. So 2 PC players. Okay, welcome all of you to my stream. Welcome. What happened? It's intro or something. You guys didn't tell me that intro is coming in the chat. Damn it, you didn't tell me that intro is coming. You must tell me, okay? If mistakenly the intro pop out in the screen, you must tell me, okay? You must tell me. Terabab, hello, welcome to my stream, all of you. Welcome. From where are you? I am from Northeast, okay? NE, yeah. I am from NE. Yeah, NE. Ngadi new subscriber to me. Thank you. Welcome to my stream, all of you. Oh, it's full already, but what happened to this guy? I don't know. One of them is offline. What should I do with this guy? Karena kasi sa ngidan lang matakar ka daw. Bansir ya dan lang matakar ka daw. Karena lang makasi matakar. Pim siya lang kay lang resya, blim siya. You don't know what KHASI, but dekar dekat daw. Anak anak dekar lingal akan dekar. Mom nang kan dekar. Itu iba you can remove no. Oh my goodness. Come on. One more. Okay, Crescent is here. Let's go. And if mistakenly I am from Assam. Really? AB Assam FF. Wow, welcome to my stream. Hero, welcome to my stream. Come on, make up. Tuma. Welcome to my stream, all of you guys. Thank you so much for visiting. So noisy, right? Oh, so noisy. Okay, let's see. W2K Gaming FF. Where are you from? What? I am from Northeast. Okay, Northeast. Yeah. Named I don't know Hindi. You can speak in English, okay? Pilawan slam namdash pangista. Lakay to second raba ake. What should I do? Okay, let's complete 100 light for 30 rupees redeem code, okay? 100 light, then I'm gonna give you guys redeem code. Will you be my girlfriend? Oh really? You want me to be your girlfriend? Like right now? Okay, I will be your girlfriend in 3 minutes, okay? Only 3 minutes I will be your girlfriend. Okay, now it's 10:23, then 10:26 we're gonna break up, okay? Hey, RNG Thor, hi, how are you? Welcome to my stream, all of you guys, welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. And he's reviving. Oh my god, now the orange team got 1 round. I have a question. Yeah, go on. No problem. I have no problem with it. Go on. Go ahead. You can ask anything you want, okay? No! No! What happened to you, Music Hub? Then by use panel na, I don't know. Maybe not na you subscribe kaile. Okay, thumbnail. It's alright. Thank you. By the way, thank you. If mistakenly the streaming intro pop out in the screen, you tell me, okay? You let me know, because it's sorry for 30 rupees super chat. Who gave me super chat? I didn't see any super chat. Your time is over. Why my time is over? I am stream right now. Oh, W2K also is streaming. So this guy also, I think maybe he is streaming right now. Yeah, maybe he is also a YouTuber. Yeah, I know. Yes, he is a YouTuber too. You can go and check his channel if you want. Where are we? Oh, why your voice is so sweet. How is this possible? I don't know. Maybe because I don't know. I don't know. But Klampao sa ako super chat Klampao ra Eteren. It's so cool. 1 versus 6. Please, Dora, you want to play 1 versus 6? Oh my goodness. Okay, now the blue team leads. Oh yeah. Blue team 2 caught 1 round. Oh my god. Wow. Very dangerous. Ay, revenge gaming. Ani pija mo pi ong nga mane kom no. Pija agay. Your smile is very nice. How can't you say that? You haven't seen my smile yet. Okay, you don't need to tell me that. Dora, don't speaking English. You don't understand English? I don't know Hindi, okay? I don't know Hindi, so I don't know how to blah 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 blah. I didn't even know how to pronounce, okay? Andrick, OP, welcome to my stream. 1 versus 6. You want to play 1 versus 6? Kilom gamer, okay, sure. Maybe you eat too much sweet things. That's why your voice is so sweet. How come? Karen KHASI, yadan lang bat ki di kartele ta kadang hap karen lang bat KHASI bat ki. I have a pick-up line for you. Yeah, go ahead. I will read it, but not naughty one. Okay, I don't like naughty one. OP Badu, welcome to my stream. Kalau apa Adrian di Bakadora akan Malay, seriously? Can you speak Hindi? I know only Namaste. I know only Namaste. Aap kahan se ho? Yeah, aap kahan se ho? I know only that one. It's already 100 likes. Really? You guys are not lying to me, right? I mean, oh my god, blue team got 2 rounds and orange team got 1, but not a problem. It's just starting. Oh, only 4 rounds, right? You have to fight. Oh my god, it's very cold here, you know. Namaste, Ji. Oh, namaste. There is no peace without violence. Even heaven demands that. Whoa. Oh, I like it actually. It's something. There is a meaning behind that word. Where are we again? I don't know your name, but I'm sure it's just as beautiful as you. Wow, really? You don't know my name, but you are sure that my name is beautiful as me. Where are you from? SBI official. I am from Northeast. You know Northeast? Keren na kasi pikiran lang kita karta kata membensi dengan hapan keren lang, okay? Okay, after this match, I will give you guys 30 rupees redeem code. Dadap kaniya ngan I redeem code ipi. Siapa rok koi lai pomang. Ngan dadap kaniya ngan penlekai ngan lekai daka redeem code ngan I. You are Bengali? No. I'm not. I am KHASI. Yeah, I am KHASI. Kanila pa. Oh, thank you so much, Adrian. Thank you very much, Adrian. Thank you for 100 super chat. Thank you. I have one more pickup line for you. Okay, go ahead. What happened? Your friend ever pick up what? Can you speak Hindi, please? I don't know Hindi. Who will teach me Hindi? I hope you guys will teach me Hindi. Ayo, sengoy ay mo hap karan lang mat ka kasi bat ka pareng namar ba? Ayo. Namar ba kidon lang mat ka ngamban sira ngin hap banwat audience am dai ta bang issue i. Insule ta maso tanan hap banwat audience mo. Hello, can you speak Naga? No, I don't believe in love at first sight until today. Wow. Oh my goodness. You really have a good taste, right? Fully have a super chat. Pichai fata. Kanila pau ong sa pin channel nya to balapoi. Okay. Kadi ong Adrian. I'm gonna pin it right now. Happy day. I'm gonna pin it right now. Kumno ngam la pin Adrian kani. Send it to kaling. You give me your channel link. I'm gonna pin it. You are from Bangalore? No. I am from Northeast. I won't tell you where, but you guys need to find out. That's your assignment, okay? After this, I will give you guys 30 rupees redeem code. Dadap kaniyan I redeem code piece ya baru quite like poding kama. Yeah, after meeting you. Oh my god. Hello, kong nu filong. Oh, Pak Kembi, welcome to my stream. Kom nu filong spec ya bunny, okay? We're gonna spec. Where is that bunny? Where is that bunny? Hack the takedown. Who is that guy? Who is that guy who got hacked the takedown again and again? What language are you speaking? I am speaking English and KHASI. Yeah, KHASI is my mother tongue, but English is my second language actually. She is from my heart. For those who don't know her, oh my god, please send me requests. Yeah, sure. This is actually what to say, not my real account, but it's my account only. I'm gonna send to you, okay? Hey Dorian, kiba use panel by who? How are you, Dora? I'm fine, thank you. What about you? West Bengal, Northeast? No, wrong. Again. Guess again. Boom, headshot. Oh my god, really? Is he a panel user or something? I guess. Maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe he's a pro. I am... What? You are from where? You are from where? I am... I don't know. Where is that? Are you from Kolkata? No. I'm not from Kolkata either. Pin ka to. Hai Adrian. O ka to day. Adrian. Dengan pin mo Adrian. Tong la pin. Klak paun em to. Go and check. Can you speak in Hindi? Actually, I don't know how to speak in English, but you guys can teach me, right? It's not a problem. You can teach me, right? It's not a problem, actually. No. If possible, can you share my referral code of payment method? Can you share my referral code of payment method? I would be grateful. Bante FF, I don't understand what you mean to say by that. Hakar hai bhai, hakar. Panel 8 blah blah. Hi Dora. Oi. Radhe. What does it mean by Radhe internet? You have to teach me. What does it mean? I love you means मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Oh, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. Actually, I will teach you Hindi. Yeah, sure. You can teach me Assam. A B Assam FF. You can teach me. Actually, I'll teach Hindi. Okay, all of you can teach me Hindi. No problem. Your English khatarnak. What does it mean? I don't understand. Habibi. Amore mio. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna create a full map custom now. Okay, those who went. Okay, no panel. Okay, we are not allowed any panel user, so I'm gonna create a full map custom right now, and the winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. Okay, password is again 69. You can go and check. You are from Meghalaya. Exactly. Yeah, finally RNG Thor got it. Exactly, I am from Meghalaya. Exactly. Yeah. Finally someone found me. Yeah, Habibi, welcome to Meghalaya. Okay, now I'm gonna give you guys 30 rupees redeem code. So come on, you can join too. No worry, you can join too. Oh my god, why did I give that? You can join too if you want. Okay, yeah, password is 69, and room ID is, I'm gonna give you guys room ID now. If you want a room ID, give me shout out. Okay, Music Hub, where are you from? You have to tell me your location first of all. Tumake, what? What? How to pronounce it? Tumake? I don't even know how to pronounce it. I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm coming. Habibi, welcome. Where are you from? Northeast. I'm also from Northeast. Actually, someone got my address. Ha. Really? I am Indian server. How to join? Maybe you can create Indian account. You can join. It's not a problem actually. You can join. What's your name? You can call me Dora actually. You can call me Dora. Can you speak in Assamese? No, I'm really sorry. I don't know that either. You guys, I'm gonna give you redeem code now. Oh, I'm gonna give you room ID. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys room ID now. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Room ID. Password you already know. Password is 69. Password is 69. You already know password. I'm gonna give you guys. Okay, let's go. I am so happy means मैं खुश हूँ. Oh yeah, मैं खुश हूँ. You can do it. Try now Hindi. Okay. Someone taught me मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. Okay, got it. I will not going to join. Why? What happened to you? You can come and join. I have given you guys my room ID. What happened? I have given you guys my room ID, right? Can you check my ID please? Yes, of course, it's not a problem. You can take mine too. I didn't know my ID either because this is not my account. 7965411719. Okay, you can take that if you want. You are playing from Indian server? Yeah, I'm playing from Indian server. Ramji, because I become your voice fan. Really? Wow. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती. Oh! You guys are really naughty. You are teaching me something that shouldn't be teach me. Okay. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna read your comments again. Oh, they are running so fast, very fast. I can't even read it. Room ID incorrect. Yeah. What? Room ID is incorrect. Like for real? How? I have copied this one. I have already copied it. It says incorrect. How? It's 17, right? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna check again. 97. Habsha kandian mo. Udah itu. Correct. Yeah, take that one. You got it. Maybe it's my fault. Am I? 47 and that one is 97. Oh yeah, it's my fault. I'm really sorry. Okay. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to do it. Really sorry. I'm so sorry. Papido means give me kiss. Oh really? Okay, I'm gonna give you, don't worry. Mwah. Where are we? Ravid Nagar, Ramji. Ram Ramji, what does it mean by that? You have to teach me everything. Are you playing from Indian server right now? Yeah, presently I'm playing in Indian server. Yeah. Okay, the winner will get 30 rupees. Okay, I don't have that much money. I'm not a rich person. I'm not a rich girl. Okay, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ means I love you. Oh, finally someone teach me. Room ID incorrect. I'm really sorry. It's my fault. Okay, I'm really sorry. SBI official, how are you? Long join. I'm really sorry. Have you learned friends before? No, I haven't. Wrong ID. I'm really sorry. Okay, Manful, I'm really sorry, all of you. I'm so beautiful means मैं बहुत खूबसूरत हूँ. मैं बहुत खूबसूरत हूँ means I am so oh really your voice like killer and release the heaven. Oh my god, thank you so much, that means a lot. My gosh. Okay, come on, first of all you guys come first, Chloe. In the what to say, really your voice is killer. Music hub, really, thank you. You can try here. Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Ram Hare. What does it mean by that? You have to teach me everything. Okay, you have to teach me. I'm very happy. मैं बहुत खुश. Oh really? The job you Dora, the job you live coding ka. Do music hub. Thank you so much. Okay, see you tomorrow. Good night you too. Check your ID please. Okay, sure, I will. Okay, I will check, no problem. I will. Wait, I'm gonna check now. Right now. Yes, right now I'm gonna check it. 287609. 287609. After that 9789. Okay, gonna check it. This one I'm gonna send friend request first of all before I check it. Okay, 69 level. Oh my god. Oh, 134 star. Wow, very dangerous. I'm gonna check a little bit about your gameplay. Okay, I mean SR. Wow, very dangerous, man. You are very pro actually. Oh my god, damn it. Oh, like 72.27 headshot rate. Seriously, are you a hacker or something? I guess you are not, but you are very pro, right? Password is 69. Okay, password is 69. Yeah, password is 69. Pat nang keren hindi nang nang rekin even keren hindi tak daw. Password is 69. 6 and 9. Okay. DS Chin 2 FF. Welcome to my stream. RRR, welcome to my stream. Aro Adel, welcome to my stream. All of you. Raj MD, welcome to my stream. How are you, Dora? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, someone is offline, I think so. Okay, one more. Here we have. Okay, now it's full. We have 2 PC player and okay, please don't hack. Okay, I mean don't use any panel. I'm gonna start now. 1 2 3. Let's go, Habibi. Let's go. Ram. Whenever someone meet, okay, wait, I'm gonna read it. Okay, whenever someone meets someone in India, he says Ram because Ram is a name of God. Oh, okay, now I know. Allahu Akbar. What does it mean by that, Aro? I am your husband means मैं तुम्हारा sohar mean husband. Password din yaar. Password is 69. Yeah, you didn't even check it. I have given you guys. Then thank you so much, Ravid Naikar, for telling me. Thank you so much. Faisan Pasha, password is 69 actually. Yeah, the job your redeem code. If you want, you will get 30 rupees redeem code. Okay. Come long click to kaling bapin. Why? What happened? How is that possible? Sa ayub yang nakoy kalingan off na siya kanya. Sa I redeem code nga basan spa. Really? I lang room ID sa room ID nga lalusan hati hajrong. Actually, in present, I deleted my FreeFire account because you are in your class in your 12th class. Custom password. Whenever I create a custom, the password is always 69. Okay. Password is 69. Okay, as always. Okay, I have read that already. I have read that already. Sonu Gaming, welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. Welcome. No hack. Okay, you are not allowed to use any third party script app or something. I don't know. I have no idea about that. Is he a hacker? No, he is not. He is a real legend, maybe. I guess. Someone is coming. Now you're gonna die too. Oh my god, very dangerous. Very dangerous. Desi Gaming, welcome to my stream. Actually, I have read your comments already. I'm gonna check it after some time. Okay, Desi, after this match, I'm gonna check it. Okay, let's check. Ayush Bahai OP. Hey, Dora, room ID UI. Udan sesi jerong tay room ID. OP Anket 2004. Wow, welcome to my stream. I'm gonna check your ID after some time, okay? Hello, cutie Dora. What is a noun? I don't know what is a noun. You have to teach me. I didn't go to school actually. All I know is a noun. A pronoun, but I don't know how to explain it. Dora, read my comment. Damn it. Okay, but oh my sub. I'm gonna read it. Don't worry. 69. Yeah, password is 69 as always. Okay. Password is 69. My stream is delayed a little, right? Okay, let's check this guy. How many kills he got? He got 0. Okay, let's take another one. Okay, he got 1 kill and I didn't know thug for life. What does it mean? 1-6. Thank you all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Can you tell me how many minutes my stream has been working? Room ID pamayang ipat habala ay rugay ngala ay room ID. Wah, kini ko mamta. Check ID. I'm gonna check it later. Okay, at lang. Oh, ngaladap ay room ID. Siya iki moderator. Where is my moderator? Hi Dora, lang mo join lang ha. Oh, lang. Bro, kahit laban join mo. Where are you from, Miss? I am new. I am from Northeast. Okay, I am from Northeast. Hacker. Okay, Indian server, you have given me your idea. I will invite you after some time. Okay, Music Hub. Okay, I understand. You delete your FreeFire because you are in your 12th standard right now. Ram is God name in Hinduism. Oh, got it. I got it. But I'm a little bit confused because I saw that what to say, I heard and I saw that Hindu have many god to worship, right? Like, not like, how to say, I'm really sorry, I don't mean to offend any culture here, but I just say it, okay? Because it's really confusing, right? Little bit. Kyrie Bomba, welcome to my stream. Yo, thank you, congratulations for 16k. Thank you so much. Thank you. What's your name? You can't call me Dora actually. Didi, can you play with me? I am a girl. Yeah, of course. Madhuri Gaming. Yes, of course. I will play with you. Don't worry. Dan kan mau em ngadang suara kan mau iste. Siapa? Setengah sekadar 4 lagai. Kumta semua. You don't know Hindi? No, I don't know Hindi. Yeah, I do. Aesthetic. I like your aesthetic name. Actually, your profile also is very cool. Utaw ID umlong du ulong pi me ban FF ngala ai. Ki dapat kila ya join kat ni la de umlong de kumno. Where are you from? I am from Northeast actually. Ka dili na stream na lian. Vipen Yadaf. Hello, welcome to my stream. My headshot rate is 57.6. Wow. Really? Your headshot rate is 76 something or 57 something? Let's see. Hey, oi. Hakkar, where are you from? I am from Northeast. Okay, I have told you guys many times I am from Northeast again and again. Okay, let's complete 300 likes. After that I will give you guys another redeem code again. Okay. Where are you? Habibi, Madhuri Gaming. I can play with you. Yes, you can go and play with her. Which language you speak rather than English? KHASI. Yeah, I speak KHASI. Vipin, hello. Hi, how are you? Sister, I'm your big fan. Oh, thank you so much, Aesthetic. Thank you very much. Thank you. Cik tu KHASI jungi lah jalur sini pej bas tadi man dia. It's Satyam. I don't know how to pronounce Hindi. I don't know how to pronounce it. My HOD is okay. I will check your HOD. Okay. Okay, DT. I love you. I love you too. If you don't have no idea about the permanent referral, we can collab and we'll learn, and we will earn half of the reward. Dora, you don't with me. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of money. Really? Okay, sure. Speaking about money, then I'm always in. Okay. Just kidding, man. Not all things money can buy. My headshot rate is like that. Okay. What's your name? You know already. I've told you. Where are you from? I am from Northeast. Hello, Hindi. I don't know, Satyam. I don't know Hindi. How to say I don't know Hindi? How to say in Hindi? I don't know Hindi. Bye, my dear. Okay. Bye. I don't understand. Why are you coming in Indian server? Fame? No, baby, no. I am from India only too. If I didn't play Indian server, then which server should I play? Dora, ya rap share lang kata-kata naman sa ngalasan ha grup if lasan. Where are you from? I told you I am from NE. Yes. Hey Dora. Hey Dora, ha baby. Welcome to my stream. Ini Pak John jana ako bilang. Okay, where are we? Miss Kidar Seho. I am from Northeast. You know Northeast? Custom your ID. I have given you already. I have given the ID already. Yeah, already given. Kum no le umlong kum ta haba. Ulong ten ray. Le kum ni forward na ka stream kamat kandiat tak kum tu kandiat mo. Forward shwa ka stream kandiat. She can't see your message now because they have banned you. No, I see. He saw. I saw. He wrote. By my dear sweetheart. I saw it. I read it also. May I know that? Are you studying? No. RNG Thor. I am not studying. I just stay at home and enjoy. Okay. Hee. Whippen, what happened to you? Hee. Which language are you speaking? Actually, KHASI. I'm speaking KHASI language. Inshallah. What does it mean? Inshallah, I'm going to earning start. Kreat le. Kalau ingin pendap live spotlight nantang sa I BNP you sa I redeem code biang sa shisin. Are you from India or not? Yes, I am from India, but sadly I don't know Hindi. What is a noun? A noun is a noun. When you become a noun, it's called a noun. Oh my god, nice one. You're right, yeah. You are right, yeah. You are right, yeah. Kolai. Where are we, sister? Static edit, yeah. Which language are you speaking? I have told you. Which language is speaking rather than in English? KHASI. Kalau mas public kan ya. Panlem. Okay, the one say one. Haha. One. One. Kumno ngai ikijuk message. Are you a student? No, I'm not a student. I can't understand. Where are you from? I am from Northeast India. Okay, I have told you I am from Northeast India actually. Aesthetic edit. Why you delete your message? Actually, it's I will read it actually, but you delete too. Your voice is nice. Maybe or maybe not. It depends on the what to say. It depends on how you How can I say it? I didn't find the right words. Sister, are you reading too many comments on the top? Go down. Okay, I'm gonna go down and sure. Sorry, Habibi. I don't mean to do that. Sorry. I'm gonna read it from the top or from the bottom. Can you play 1 versus 1 with me alone? You want to play 1 versus 1 with me? I don't even know how to play 1 versus 1. I don't know. You didn't say to me, but you are saying to my girl, huh? What are you guys talking about? Your voice is so cute. RN Sumil, thank you very much. I guess your voice too is cute. What's your Instagram? It's like this only, like channel name. Hi Dora, flop ngaslo na. Bakit nung ta? Start English hadu siya no le ba komenda la shuanghi. Sometimes I think you are feeling too cold. Why? What happened? Why am I feeling too cold? Actually, yeah, I'm feeling too cold right now. Yeah, I'm playing Chico right now. 22 BR rank custom. You guys wanna play custom? Devil Boy Dora 1 versus 1. Really? You want to play 1 versus 1 with me? Like seriously? I didn't even know how to play 1 versus 1 and you guys want to play 1 versus 1 with me. Wow, amazing. Iba bat scam di one rap ngade subscriber to my Jupiter. Welcome to my stream all of you. Didi Northeast where India? You know Meghalaya? You know Meghalaya? And oh my god, 10 kill and I didn't even know that he got 10 kill. I was busy reading comments, that's why I didn't see he got 10 kill. Okay, let's go and let's check again and again. Where are we? Okay, let's go for 200 light first of all. After that I will give you guys a 6 versus 6 custom or maybe 1 versus 6. Girl, don't act like you don't know anything. What does it mean, Habibi? No, I don't know, Didi. I am from Kolkata. Oh, Kolkata. I have heard about it, but I haven't visited it yet. Where are we? Oh my god, where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Aura, hello. I like your name, Aura, actually. Can want to play 1 versus 6? You want to play 1 versus 6? Can I want to play with you in CSR mode. I didn't even know how to play properly. Okay. You become my sister because I didn't have any sister. Yeah, sure, of course, I will. Come Kolkata, Didi. Okay, I will. But I don't know when. But sure, one day I will. Kolkata, it's like my dream place to visit. I will come. Okay. Iba FC enemy layo si kill ng tagyasa 1 versus 1. Oh, 1 versus 1 with whom? With IG Banjob. 1 versus 1. Okay, ngan up no hagi mo. Okay, ta. Oh! Job ini ba ile. Ba ini ba Banjob dai ni. Job iba Banjob. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Meaning I don't know Hindi. Oh, okay. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Okay. I don't know Hindi. You know what I mean? I don't know actually. Yeah, I will tell you the truth. I am from India and I didn't lie about that, but sadly I don't know Hindi. Really sorry about that, okay? Are you really human because you're what? Because you're what? Thanks for your compliment, but I like your name. Muskil, I am. I am Muskil. Tangbuya. Sure, when we meet in real life, it's such a good thing. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for that moment. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna play for 6 versus 6 or 1 versus 6. I don't know that guy. He said he wanna play 1 versus 6. Who? Which one? I didn't have any. Maybe he is not in my friend list. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys 6 versus 6. Okay. Yeah, on January maybe I will do face cam. Yeah, I will stream with face cam on January. Okay. I hope so. Just hope so. I don't know if I can't or cannot, but hope so. Okay, we will hope for the best. Maybe I will do live stream with face cam that time. Okay, wait. Yeah, it's 6 versus 6. Okay, it's 6 versus 6. Do you play in Indian server? Yeah, I play in Indian server. This one also it's Indian server. You can join. DD room ID Didona. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna give you right now. Password is 69. Okay, password is 69. I'm gonna give you password is 69. Remember the password. Okay. Password is 69 and the room ID is. I'm gonna give you room ID now. Ablangan ay room ID naman ta. Hi ha 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 ha. Only headshot. I ha 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 ha. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Now you are my sister. I will teach you Hindi. Sure. I'm happy to learn. Yeah, I'm really happy to learn. Really. Bali ini iba ada mewan syabong I hela kumne. La jong yutur masi welcome to my stream. Ay yakan 1 versus 6. Off panel na ilan off panel? La nang no ban off panel, but ngamu ida. Mala if even off ngatarai. Really, with facecam you're gonna give us a New Year gift, right? I mean, not New Year. Actually, my birthday is coming soon, so I'm gonna give you guys something on my birthday too. Na even off your panel steady. Le panel kai kum no. To I lang. I disa. Okay, mo ready? Okay, ready. I'm gonna confirm the room now. 1, 2, and 3. But I will invite kan first of all. Where is he? Sino to ba kan don? Ngamu irla ikan dan sino? Where is he? I didn't. Oh, what's your birthday? 10th January. Okay, 10th January, and that time maybe if I have a chance, just hope so, I will give you guys something on my birthday. Here, I'm gonna give you guys something. That's the room ID. Okay, join now. That's the room ID. Here, siya na ba akan siya at friend siya nga ba akan man sa IFV next at friend siya ulupay nga man sa IFV next mo. Also I am happy today that I got thank you so much. I'm lucky too, actually. I'm very lucky too. To ay lang ID nga ay ikan nga up ngan le sa spang mo ho ito. Long himan join palim long. No, you can join. Come fast, my dear. Yeah, we understand, Habibi. We understand. Oh, my young sister, it's same birthday with you. Really? Shisha se ba scam lang gay tatingin ni celebrate lang jus ngi. I'm unlucky at mo balay longom no. You got it right? I mean, you got that ID right? Oh, it's full already. Wow, I'm still giving you guys the ID. I don't know that it's already full. Okay, let's go with it. Limited amount, no. Load out, blah 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 blah. I guess that's okay. KHASI ruyo join habon KHASI. Let's go. And listen. If we reach 300 like, I'm gonna give you guys team code akan itu ibajab man sa inbox yang mo. To bajab yang pi club dan friend mat nga mo ni club dan lek kan umuni account udi wait lek ta kada day to account mga panon kaman kasngi udi wait ta kada. It's a new account Katil. What does it mean Katil? We live tomorrow and when? Yeah, tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also, every day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sundays a week, something like that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, in the night after night, I'll be loving you 7 days a week. Tomorrow also I will stream, okay? Do you play with me? I'm not a pro. I'm not a pro either. Why are you guys spamming? I thought it's one tap. You guys are spamming anything. Okay, no problem. You can do whatever you want. What's your lifetime? Actually, I don't know. Maybe sometimes 6, sometimes 7, sometimes 8, sometimes 9. Yeah. Do you play with me? I will play with you. Don't worry. Please keep singing. Sing Johnny, yes, Papa said. I don't know how to sing. Oh, really? You guys are making fun of my voice. I'm really sorry about that. I don't know how to sing actually. Okay, let's complete 300 like nang sa ay biang mo. Lapay lay spotlight ngan sa ay dim kod biang. Itu bajab meneh itu KHASI ni bajab meneh sa text nga po WhatsApp. Tidak nem nang bajab ada film dan am sang sa ay mo. I want to learn Hindi. I want to sing Hindi song, but I don't know how to sing Hindi song. Dora, lang nga mo dala kani hot to sa invite. I will invite you. No worry. Don't worry. I will invite you. No worry. I will invite you, my dear. You don't need to worry. You don't need to worry, 'cause when you fall, you know how to land. Chat room kumni ba at pa uyas na uhila ito la ngan tips nga club jet lagi kat na marbakat pangas na room ngam jet lagi kon nga ay kum to tan poi perkat la bon lem to dala adap kuno dala adap kano like pin lek kai full map yan dora dala adap nice pa. Let's complete 300 like, okay, my dear sweetheart, darling, puting sweetheart, my everything. After we complete 300 like, then I will give you guys a redeem code again, okay? Yeah, 30 we have already given. Then I'm gonna give you guys again like 30 rupees. You know that you have a limitless feature in singing. Really, you are the first one who say that. Actually, you are the first one who say that. मुझे आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा, meaning I'm happy to meet you. Oh really? मुझे आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Oh nice. Dora balai fili stream naga shot kumne namar banga kami yo kumne tepi ba John nanga stream naga shot kumne am kam kamai bonda ta kadau. You know that you have a limitless. I will try. Okay. RNG Thor, you have to teach me Hindi. I will sing Hindi song for you. You will be the first one who will heard my Hindi song. I will sing Hindi song for you. My pronunciation is not good actually. I don't know Hindi, that's why. Okay, let's complete 300. Okay. Kamay tang sobat view. Kamay kan kamay ka yuru. Ngalapet ka you. Kakamay bah, kakamay mde tang ka shot ka you. Mde tang ka sobat ka view. Kamay bah ka yuru. Why would I lie to you? Malingan talk ya pika kamay shisha. Pila wan stream punya stream naka short piru dari bapi you kan. Kabes ha shisha. Katu ka stream mga last time banga stream kabes ha. Sing KHASI song lam yang okay ta. KHASI ba na. Come here kalong dari pili come here ru tang ba. Ngong yo internet kum ni kan. Okay, then you can take my ID, or I mean my IG if you want. I have only 100 follower maybe because it's my new ID. You can take my IG ID and we will chat there, okay? Steady kador kum syri tay le semua. Dora accept friend yang sekerteng. Okay ta ngalak le ada way account pi send friend request apa kum no. Actually, this is my new account. Okay, that old account also is there, but the friend list is full already over there. So I have to blah blah blah. Your English vocal is amazing. You need to shift really. I become your personal dictionary whenever you want to ask something in Hindi. Ask me. Okay, I want to know how to say hello, guys. Welcome to my channel. Like that. One of my friend has taught me already. Like how to say, I forget it. Greeting first of all, right? Balai ngami yo areban like kadi stream shu I double tap lek knyat asian ngum to kembala ko Instagram kelalong terasa invite lang nga on the flat lek kai map he pi ai katem oi do barai zo mo hoi ta blah 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 like Dragula. Who is that Dragula? Who is that Dragula? Oh my god, you guys are really something else really. Man, I would really but parang KHASI. I want to learn Hindi too, but it's very difficult for me because no one teach me Hindi. Double tap to like. Oh, I pila beda piku aban like ke screen ya ke stream should double tap terak. Rada ka jeng pak raum dor ni, jeng rajang pak raum dor na sus nai palat tak ada ngam piku ngap dengan sejauh mat ang ngap itu. Pelak kai biang damap he hoi ta. Ngân pen kén hỏi để lại đọc lại spotlight ngân pen. Where are you from now? I am from Northeast. Now I am in my hometown and I'm streaming right now. 2 verses 6 nga bat chong. Okay, ta sa send friend request nga mo. Kanom new ID. I want to learn Hindi. To safar mera hai tu hi meri manzil. Wow. Very dangerous. Actually, that's one of my favorite song too. India. Yeah. I am from India, Aura. I am from India. Okay. Lại chân đắp đấy, lại chân đắp lại spotlight. Oi, Dora nga kwa ban lek kai bat iparlok chung pi ba kam pro 1 versus 1. Okay, to sale. Mo nga sa ai. Ngan I bet if I will give you the word. Oh, spider. It's biting him. Spider is biting him. Capture. Where that one tap. To suffer. Mera nightmare. Chandmo. Tu hi meri manzil. Tere bina. No. Is this right? No, it's wrong. I think I sing the wrong lyrics, right? I don't know how to sing too. I'm really sorry about that. Okay. You haven't subscribed my channel. Hey, you guys can go in that. You see that channel link I pinned over there? I know you guys can click it, but you can just type that Adrian FF, right? You can see his name. Just click tadak tadak and you can do and you can subscribe his channel. Don't wait for tomorrow. Do it all today. If tomorrow never come, you will never regret it. What does it mean by that RNG Thor? Are you talking about something? I'm gonna restart. Okay, sure. I'm gonna show such round mo. I biang such round again. I'm gonna give you guys one more round again. Ikan up I biang round kini mo. Such I show ID. You guys can take my ID. Even I don't know my ID. Really, this is my new ID. That's why even I don't know my ID. Okay, you can take this. It's my ID. Okay, I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3. Sure, I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2. Oh, tadak. Tadak. LOL. Oh god. Here, you can have it. Keep singing. You want to hear my, what is it? Dinosaur voice. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna sing it for you. Don't worry, habibi. Amore mio, don't worry. I will sing it for you. I know it's worse, but I'm gonna sing it. Come on. Like the black guy. Like the black guys there. Okay, ngelashim friend mo. Ngelashim friend. I have already taken your friend request. You can send me again if you want. Okay. Oh, so many. Kamu tuway le syurang ngale uturu tang balong ang tu am la da friend ta kadang ngala le do ni way. Long ngala hap shim hanu we. You are from Sora. Yeah, I am from Sora. Never forget that all storms will clear. Remember, right? That tomorrow are always near. Oh, thank you. That's I really need that line right now. Really, especially today. I'm gonna try Hindi if I know. Okay, I want to learn Hindi too, but I don't know. One of my friend taught me, but it's very difficult. Bye, sister. Nice to meet you. I hope I meet you tomorrow. Yeah, bye. See you tomorrow, sister. Oh, I got a sister. Yeah, sister from another mother. Yeah, habibi. So no, SP gamer. Okay, I'm gonna take all your friend requests right now. Okay, habibi, amore mio. ये रूह भी मेरी, ये जिस्म भी मेरा, उतना मेरा नहीं. I want to learn Hindi, but it's very difficult. Can someone teach me Hindi, please? Dora, if you play game, day ne account hai. Jong fi, day ra account hai. Jong uday account thamai ngadang statement ne. Don't forget that I am your personal dictionary. Okay, I won't forget. You are my personal dictionary. I won't forget it. Okay. I have already take you guys on my friend list. Why are you talking in English? Because I don't know Hindi. You teach me Hindi, okay? Teach me Hindi. Someone has taught me earlier that how to say I don't know Hindi. How to say I don't know Hindi in Hindi? How may I know how much you spent on this ID to buy? I will tell you. I spent only 2,000. Yeah, and I got a perfect one. I spent only 2,000 and I got a perfect one. Dora accept friend nga hoita. Nga accept lagi brokot nga. Turoy way. Oh, mdando. Nga asim lut brokot. Dora ka besa ka voice ng people if long nang roy si Shasa. Excuse me, okay? Let's complete 300 light. After that, I will give you guys another 30 rupees super chat. Okay? I mean redeem code. Wow, what did I say? Super chat. My brain is not working because you are very lucky. Really, am I very lucky? Dora like I manta. Okay. Choco boy, मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Okay, मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Thank you, my personal dictionary. It's so cute. I love you more than myself. Oh, I love you too. I love you so damn much. Yeah, I love you. I love you too. I love you too, my dear. I love you too. Mwah. I love you so damn much. Okay. My personal dictionary. You're very lucky because you find me here. Really, RNG Thor. Then I hope that I will see you in Instagram too. Can I? I'll say take edit my personal dictionary. Okay, now I'm gonna create 2 versus 6. Okay, let's see. This guy wanna play 2 versus 6. I want to see his gameplay. Okay, where is he? Where are you? Okay, here you are. Here you are. Here you are. Shim friending at hala shim brokoin. I followed you. Okay, you tell me your name. I will follow you back. Okay, it's me, Dora. I love you. And where are you from?
Ayun, Pima.
Shna ma piece iRoom ID but password nga.
Jumpi.
Shna ma piece iRoom ID password nga. Do. Okay, where are we? Anna620. Hi, welcome to my stream. Welcome. Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Dayong kanum. Tip rete. Dora to le nama phe. La jandap te la jandap live spotlight. La live spotlight and sele. Okay. GTH something. Thank you so much for 20 rupees support chat. Thank you. Love you. Where are we? 6 versus 1. Yeah, you wanna play 1 versus 6. Can babat stream. That's why he wanna play 1 versus 6. Okay, let's see his gameplay. Okay, he is a very legend. He's not noob. He's not a bot. He is a very legend. I have seen his gameplay before. Okay, I'm gonna check your ID. Alpha Gamer, I'm gonna check your ID now. Wait, okay? Tell me again. 2275 86 364 and 2. Okay, let's go. Oh, unknown. Okay, I'm gonna send you friend request first before I check your ID. Wow, you are 4-star. Your rank is in 4-star. I'm gonna check your ID. Okay. Oh my goodness, very nice. Your level is only 63, but you got 4,904 likes. Wow, very cool. Very cool. Actually, it's very cool. Insta name KHASI DORA. You can search like this only. I'm gonna give you that. It's not that 1,000 follower, it's that 500 or something, because that 1,001 has been hacked by someone. I don't know who did it, but really I got very angry. Lek kai vật tôi cần mặt nga. Okay to one ali penle map he no dala dap live spotlight ngan penle map he. Okay, write my ID for 1 versus 6. Okay, I will. Don't worry. Here you can take the room ID. Password is 00. Okay, password is 00 and the room ID is okay. I'm gonna give you guys the room ID. Okay, here is the room ID and the password is 00. Yeah, I'm gonna say it again. The password is 00 and the room ID is, I have given you already. Come on, guys. I wanna see you here. Come on. My stupid heart don't know. Come on, guys. I wanna see you here. I send you request. Okay, sure. I will take you. Don't worry. Okay. After the stream, I will take you. Again, I'm back. Music Hub. You are in class 12. You should go and study, right? I think class 12 is very very difficult. Oh, laughing though. Only the night remains. Wow. Only the night remains. No, now I'm going to sleep. Oh, okay, you can go sleep. Habdo, kumno, one cloy, what? One cloy. Kalay nga nga syupet hani ngam okay kreno no. I am in class 10. I have board exam in February. Go and study. Hey, my personal dictionary. Go and study fast. You have exam on February and you didn't study? You given my stream. Yang apat sya ali. wan kloy wan syakin balim sya balikin film change password. Okay, ini bela asam tiata kilit tiano kata mo. Love you all. Thank you. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. I love you all. La jandap like spark like ngan sa IV redeem code 30 rupees again, okay? After 300 like, I will give you guys 30 rupees redeem code again. I'm not kicking anybody, okay? This is not my room. I didn't create it. It's Ken Gamer who created the room is this guy. Let me show you who created the custom. This guy created the custom, so he have the power, okay? I didn't kick it. I didn't kick you. I didn't kick anybody. Sanjay, welcome to my stream. I didn't kick anybody, okay? This room has been created by this guy. This Ken Gamer. I didn't do anything. Can you give me your mobile number? Yes, of course. I will give you. Don't worry. Sudip how to pronounce your name? Sudip Chatterjee. Are you from India server? Yes, I am from 2 versus 6. I am from Indian server. Yes. Jardu, aplam mo Jardu ang sa shimshibet ngarang ayu lam tanang don hapo game ta kadaw. Abdul make game. I'll take you, okay? Didi Arish, hi. Welcome to my stream. Thank you very much. Don't act as child. You knew that. Who told you I am child? Who told you I am still small? I'm not a kid anymore. Damn it, who told you that I am a child? I'm not a kid anymore, my dear. I have already grown up. I can have a boyfriend if I want. Yeah, I can have a boyfriend if I want. I can take a man if I want to. I have already grown up. Yeah. Spec Lily, okay, sure. Hi, Didi Arish, welcome to my stream. I am studying a little stream. Let me see yours. Because you are my sister and I support you. Thank you, my personal dictionary. Hatia, what happened? What happened to you, Sanjay? What's wrong with you? I am 19. You are older than me or not? Yes, I am older than you. Just keep quiet, okay? Shh, quiet. I am studying a little stream. Okay, you can have a look at my stream. No worries, you can check my stream. No worries, no problem. You can check my stream, no worries, no problem. I love you all. And don't forget to go and check that channel I pinned, okay? Don't forget to go and check that channel I pinned. And listen, I am not a child anymore, okay? I can take a man if I want to, but presently I don't want to. That's why. So I'm not telling you that I'm a child or something. I'm just streaming my own way and you guys just came and said you're saying that thing too. I don't like it. Will you play in offline too? Yes, I will. Yap kan ni le. Kan le ba part 1 part le 2 versus ayu tele part 2 versus 6. Yap kan tele. Oh my god. Okay, dala like spotlight ngan sa I redeem code biang. Accept man sanu kas alun boy to bakit bak ngan sa accept itu de pro quite accept lut bi pro quite. I accept everybody. Everybody say no. Okay, but I will say yes. You will play with me. Yes, I will play with you. The Irish, but how to say I don't know Hindi again? I forget. How to say I don't know Hindi? Okay, wait. I don't know how to say. Where is my personal dictionary? Where is my personal? Honest, I will take. Okay, I will send you friend request after this match. Where is my personal dictionary? You have to teach me again how to say I don't know Hindi. Your gameplay is also very good. You can check my old video if you want. Yes, teach me. How to say it again? Mujhe nahi pata. Okay. I don't know Hindi. Oh shit. This is very difficult, really. You guys. How to say I don't know Hindi in Hindi? Kami tiada nak lamit. Mana ni buat mikir semua up say ladap kar arjish ben. मुझे नहीं आती हिंदी. Okay. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Okay. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Please don't accept. Please don't accept. What the heck? Please don't forget to accept. Okay, sure. I won't forget. I promise you. I won't forget. Okay. After this, I will. Bakun Oh, lakawan bakun Tedam na klik 1 kill ayo. I love you. I love you too. I know how to say I love you in Hindi. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Yeah, I got it. Ding 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 ding. KHASI malum. You will accept my friend request? Yes, I will. Will you play in offline too? Yes, RNG Thor. I will play in offline too. Thank you so much for visiting my stream. Okay, you guys are so sweet. I love you all. Let's complete 300 light. I will give you 30 redeem code again. Okay, like I give it earlier. Please write my ID. Sure, Anas. Wait, okay. Wait, I will write it. Sure, I will. Wait. Ngada nak clear lihat dulu. Oh, kitwork lang mana yang clear lihat semua. Ngaku apa ilah sudah clear lihat ngarang pedang sisian. Where are we? You are the shadows to my life. Let you feel out. Another star. You fade away. Why are you so kind? Am I kind? How? I wanna love you. You wanna love me? Then you can love me, no problem. I have no problem with that. You can love me. No worry. I lek kai lang set DORA ho ai ba chong ke mar ngas ngo mene ikan ong ban lek kai bat phi tang kom nom ta. La ka wang kan bro khoi 1 versus 3. Come on kan Come on. How have you watched any anime? No, I haven't started yet because I'm afraid I might get addicted. Yeah, I'm afraid I might get addicted. I am that type of person that got addicted so easy. Oh my god. Can Kemar? Wow, what the heck? Like, really? UMP god or something? Is he UMP legend? Now he will get ace. Oh, my heart. My heart is broken. Oh no, you nearly got ace again. Oh my god. Oh, my heart is broken. Can nila apa ipatul po. Balay yang munta. Let's complete 300. Let's complete 300 lights again. I will give you redeem code. Yeah, 100 light I have already given you guys 30. Now when we reach 300, I will give you guys another 30. Okay? Takai ni takai ha. Anas 620. No, why you say like that? Last please. Welcome to my stream. I love you. Welcome to my stream. I love you. Create. Yeah. After this, I'm gonna create 6 versus 6 custom again, and when we reach 3k, 3k. What the heck? 300. I will give you redeem code again. I have 1 million subscribers. Oh, then congratulations, Anas. Congratulations for your success. Congratulations. Please protect your heart. You became important for us and especially for me. Thank you, RNG Thor. Thank you so much. You are so kind too. You know that you are so kind too, right? New subscriber says FY. Hey guys, welcome to my stream. Welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you, RNG Thor. My heart. Oh, my heart. God, who did what? Oh, they got one round. See, they want to play 2 versus 6. See their gameplay. Can got 10 kills and Steady got 2 kills. See their gameplay is OP, right? But you can Okay, sorry, mistakenly. Where is Bakan Yet sang voice fee. What does it mean? Where are you from? I am from Northeast. Where are you from? How to say? Sister, your behavior is very good with person. I love it. Really? How to say? Where are you from? Something like that. आप कहाँ से हो? Oi. FY haters. आप कहाँ से हो? My personal dictionary. You are still here, my darling. DORA pin I am next inga bat kan 2 versus 6. Saong ye kan ma namar kan ka rumi isnai kan. Aap kaha Huh? Oh my god, now my brain is look something. The mouse the something, yeah, the mouse and the rat is dancing inside my brain. RNG Thor, welcome. You have a cute voice. Thank you. Maybe God has given me cute voice just to stream or something. I don't know, but I guess so. Okay, let's complete 300 light. I will give you 30 redeem code again. That super chat giving my mind again and again. आप कहाँ से हो? हाँ, Anas, आप कहाँ से हो? Now my name is right, RNG Thor. Oh, really? Hearing your voice make my heart melt. Really? Where are you from? FY haters? Adrian, let life not close. No, Adrian. Where is Adrian? I want to see him too. But Jovial, no to Adrian ja. You have to teach me Hindi song, okay? I will sing one song in live stream, one Hindi song. But first of all, you have to teach me. If you didn't teach me, then how can I sing, right? You have to teach me Hindi song. After that, I will sing, okay? Will you be my sister? Yeah, of course. I can be your sister. Yeah. That time I will have so many brothers and sisters. Really. Did you like your personal dictionary? Yeah, very much. I like my personal dictionary very much. Sugar sister. Oh my god. Sugar sister, ngapit ikan lại mình tatang ba mình tôi đây ikan pli lại yap no. Sugar sister, you want me to be your sugar sister? Oh, I want you so much like right now. Hey, control, okay? Control. RNG region, RGN region. Oh. How to say it? I don't know. You will be my. Oh my god! Bansyam lang potty. No, you naughty. Kan in let kai yang next. Dadap kan ni let 6 versus 6 kan? Mo? Unsubscribe. Bye. Okay, bye Sanjay. Bye. Bye Sanjay. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you next time maybe. Who may know? Maybe we will never see each other again. We just found my stream accidentally. Maybe we won't be able to see each other again if you don't subscribe my channel. But no problem. It's alright. It's alright. No worries. It's alright. I have many brothers and sisters here. Really have many brothers and sisters here. Why it doesn't work? Hey, my phone is not working. My phone charging is not working. Seriously, my phone charging is not working. How am I gonna read these comments? Oh my god. How am I gonna read this comment? Oh damn it. Wait. Pide na shalongs. Mendit let na shalong ada na seorang. I'm not from Shillong. I am from Cherrapunji. I'm from Seorang. Yes, I am from Seorang. It is too late now to say sorry. Oh, my battery is not. My phone charging is not working. I don't know why. I didn't do anything wrong, but it's not working. No, my GF. Okay. You want me to be your girlfriend? I can be your girlfriend in for 3 minutes if you want. Ngade na boy mo kong ini have claim pide na boy nito. I am from your heart. Oh. Oh my goodness. So cute. Thank you very much. Your name meaning in Hindi is Pagal. Really? My girlfriend in Hindi is Pagal. Oh my god, can Oh my goodness. You just take Ace, like seriously? Okay, let's complete 300 like fast before we reach 12. Okay, let's complete 300 like first of all. Happy, let's complete. But you have what you say? I didn't say. But you have boyfriend. Oh, you know I have boyfriend. You know or you didn't? No, I didn't actually. I didn't. I was scrolling through YouTube and don't know how I found. I think scrolling is the best thing. We can't find some good people like you. Maybe I listen. I got angry a little bit because my charger is not working. Yeah, my phone is not charging. Dora, sa akot madan MP nga kam sa akot madan. Kun use config really. Fit have jana by kun use config. Oh, my phone is not it's not charging. My last question, how will I become your channel moderator? If listen, I will become moderator if you you have to come to my channel like every day. Where is my personal dictionary? My personal dictionary also have to come to my channel every day. Okay? Because you are my personal dictionary, you are very, very, very cute. My personal cute dictionary, you have to come every day in my channel. Okay? I'm gonna give you moderator. It's not working, yeah, really? Now I'm stuck here. It's not even working. My phone, it's not charging. How can I read the comments without charging my phone? Oh, this is so damn difficult. Okay, let's go, Habibi. Let's go. Next round, okay? Lapo ini am like have we reached 300 like? Tata, bye bye kenum. Le nga bat chong. Lano kenum. Lano. Kersyan ay lang sikim dora hoy tawan ngan ay bit mo. Tingin naman tamar. Okay, good marry my son. You have a son? Kwa amin kum no? You have a son? Really? You have a son? Like really? You have a son? Alpha Gamer, hello, welcome to my stream. Anna 620, marry my son. Sure, I will. But let full map not Dora. Alright, la jandap sa tang lai po la yo le kai full map te. Tliu prapod libu ikon. Oh, why you say like that? Believe you ta. I am joking. I thought you already have a son. Maybe you are 40 years old. Just kidding, okay? Don't mind. I mean, don't take it to your heart, okay? Again, sinabi ang full map sa she sent. Let's complete 300 light. After that, I will give you guys another 30 super chat redeem code again, okay? I will give you 30 redeem code once again if we can complete 300 like. Before 12. Yeah, before 12. Oh, my phone is dying. My phone is dead. Really. It's not working. Wait, I'm gonna charge it. But it's not working. This charger is useless. Maybe it's charger or maybe it's phone. I don't know because I use that for 2GB or 4GB RAM. I don't know. Maybe it's my phone. I need to buy a new one. Just hope so, okay? I will get to buy a new one next month, maybe. Hi Dora. Oi. Wait, okay. Wait, my sweetheart, darling. Wait, okay. Wait, okay. I'm gonna read your comments. I'm gonna read your chat first of all. Okay? You're the sun in my life, shining on me. You're the treasures I've sought for in my dreams. Password is 69. Yes, password is 69. But first of all, I'm gonna read your chat. Okay? Gonna read your chat first. I will try to. Yeah, it's okay. It's not a problem, my dear personal dictionary. You can come when you have time. But sometime do visit my channel, okay? Oh, kriat. Please, Dora, kaya lang yung haoy tangan pili lang tabarok koin. Okay? I will come every day to your channel. Remember me, okay? All of you. Apoy haim to manang apuliki comments. No, I am your already subscriber. Really, Alpha Arman SK. Okay, I'm gonna check your ID. Wait, okay. Wait, first of all, let me switch on my phone first because it's already dead and charger also it's not working. So it's very difficult for me to read the comments. Oh, it's not working. Oh. It's you who can make my heart fall for you and I'm not even tired falling for you. Really? FI haters? Really? Then that's so sweet of you. B-boy John. Hi Dora. Oi. Same 2GB. Same here, man. I can't even on my phone. Can't even switch on my phone. I don't know how can I call my friends, my family. Damn it. It's dead. My phone is dead. My phone is dead. Password ได้รูปคนใดมั้ง Pilaan puli kat niki comments ngam la asyuk kan ta kadang asyuk puli tangki bang ayu i. Manam sngoi ai mo wat lek kai hey Dora oi. Ngam puli tangki ba i I am Sigma really. Yo lek kai lang na kam no yo. Hi Ravish Kumar. Hi. Welcome to my stream Ravish. How are you? आप कहाँ से हो? Yeah, thank you. आप कहाँ से हो? My personal dictionary is working so hard. ID siya आप siya sa ang pat-ara. Okay, you want my ID? You want my ID, Habibi. You want my ID? I'm gonna give you, okay? Here is my ID. 1, 2, 3. ID is here. ID is 16, right? I think so. It's right. No. That's not the room ID. That is my ID. That is my ID, not room ID. Okay, here is the room ID. You want the room ID? Here it is the room ID. That's not my ID. Okay, my cat is starting to dance because of your voice. Ravish Kumar, India. Oh, nice to meet you. Arman SK, I love you. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Now I know Hindi little hi ha. Dora balik mi kloy na yo menin ani mu yo kali shoot tele angel menin ta kadao. Namar podang warning kong turung hab le jing le chapo yu em ngale don kam chapo. Kandiat mo don kakam hi bom la ban le I can't even switch on my phone. Do something. I can't even switch on my phone. My God. My goodness. I can't even switch on my phone. I seriously, guys. I don't know. I can't even switch on my phone. Password day intro kan dai la pra Dora klam yu i ban le stream nang man tayu i he kom nan ta la jan dan akan stream na.
And it's not based on the real world. Don't worry if you're eliminated. Respawn.
Ani ngam la please shoot ka phone. La wai le kala do le ka phone ngam long shoot ban ni. Kini ki badan hapo contact list kita ki badan kaman call shoot ngala. Ong lepas suri mo long shoot ka phone nga. Oh, tagada dang ko apa je fita. La miat la min tusin. Angan sawan biang mo la sinyo ba ang sawan biang. Welcome next time. You are from which country? I am from NE. I am from India. NE. Hi darling. Yeah, next question. Wait, I'm still charging my phone. It's not working. I feel like I'm gonna cry right now. It's working. Slowly it's working. Dora Helen Gang. Mo. Shungin na pekay shwiki niya nga sa on. Pag-agoy lang. Nag-imitate of you even. Sorry my dear. I'm really sorry. आपका स्वागत है मेरे channel पे. Meaning everyone will come to my channel. Oh really? Now I know a little bit Hindi. आपका स्वागत है मेरे channel पे. Okay. Now I know little. Dora fin I lang am next piklam join us. Cry, I don't care. I don't need you to care whether I'm crying or not. I have so many to care about me. It's just me, or do you get prettier every time I see you? If this keep up, I might need sunglasses. Oh shit. Wow, amazing. Nice one. You got me. How old are you, darling? I am older than you, maybe. Yeah, I am. Naru sajan kat kita kanta semua Angel. I think you learn Hindi very fast. Really, baby, I'm from Uganda. Oh, you're from Uganda? Really? For real? How old are you, darling? I am older than you, baby. Oh, really? See your face? Okay, you can see my face in the where will you see my face? Insta maybe? That comfort zone called fear. It will take you to nowhere. Step out and then come near and see your victory right there. Oh my God. RGN, who teach you to? Who taught you all these things? Pulitan comments parang ne elang Dora lagoy katalasi kelas aku mulai mo. You are from USA? Really, Anas? You are from USA? Wow, then nice to meet you. Which part of US are you? If you were in the same room right now, I'd probably forget how to speak because your beauty has a way of stealing not just heart but words too much. Oh my God, love you too. Love you 3, love you 4. Okay, now let's go and check their gameplay. Okay, my phone is not working. I don't know why my phone is not working. I really want a new phone, but I'm still very poor. I hope so. If I continue streaming, then I will get new phone within next month. Pray for me, okay? I will get new phone next month. Then that time we will play both in mobile and PC. Oh, to G Zen and ani pro hala unde makarne. Makarne kasi la to. Pusta lang kun la tekan pro ha. ML saw kumi is here original ML or something. This one also I think so it's a YouTuber. He is also a YouTuber. This guy is also a YouTuber. This guy also is a YouTuber. Yeah, so many KHASI YouTuber are there here. Let's go and check their gameplay first of all, okay? Dora pelik kai no dah kamap he. Ladap ni ang live spotlight. Ladap live spotlight yang pelik bet Shisha. Ngap ngan ai dah you. Ngan ai redeem code Shisha. God bless you. God bless you too, sister. I'm from Jammu and Kashmir. Oh yeah, I have heard it. I'm joking. Sorry, fikiran saya itu kah ketin juga. Kini moderator nang pulih mo kali kai itu moderator nang pulih tang juga you. Baby, I'm from Gantang ada pulih. I will face how are you? Pulih nang tak pulih tang botol ada pulih. Mobile set sang. Tak jam siang. Live stream malah apa yang pada oleh kai Sian root flop aku nak tak tunjuk join. Ngapa dia apa? I am sorry. Dora password nala aklet password din rup kandai Keren ni ki dikarne Dora tin ko dikari dalingat ban siat nek namar ba ni haban wat audience sama nak ki riru. Mana ba yo quadra who got quadratic down? Who is that guy who got quadratic down? Like seriously he got quadratic down? Really, he got quadratic down or something? I heard someone got quadratic down. Dora penlek kai no ho ai dah belak dap live spotlight ngan penlek kai ngan ai redeem code live ho. Ha, ngan ai redeem code live ho. Ni Angel mesti boleh pergi komen sini. Ding. Kan apa ke Mickey temo? I'm not a Hindi. Who get is again and again? Who got is again and again? What this guy got is again and again? Like seriously? How? How is that possible? How is that possible? Let's check this YouTuber. How is that possible? Dora is my favorite name. Really? You like Dora? Ini dah kau pet kaya ML ho. Kaya ML. Di penkot kan apa je Dora? Penkot mo ang sipang namar ba? Ngamla ada ban pet mitan. How can I say what is your name in your language? Speak slowly. You can say P Kerteng Kumno. You can say P Kerteng Kumno. Anas in my dream. Ya Mela Jet. Hi Dora. Hi Kasirik. Welcome to my stream. Lewat Kasirik kumno bilang nang ta go to Kashmir eating Maggie. Hahaha. Kata ke elang semua. Temu ala isi yang ala bet tu good night. Pi ong te. Pi ong ti anot te. Good night na nang ta night bot noob. Okay, where are we? I'm gonna check it. Please type. Okay, sure. I will. Don't worry. Okay, I will type it now. Ba em ali shong haju im khi ba em. Tu bang ya. Serai don hala. Charge menit. Ya. Ya umong shot dah enggak kan. Tu safar mera. Tu hi meri manzil tere bina guzara. Dil hai mera खुदा तू ही दुआ में शामिल तेरे बिना गुजारा दिल है मुश्किल. Wait, okay, I'm gonna type it. What time does the stream stop? I don't know. I think before 12 or something. I stream only 2 hours tonight because Wait, I'm gonna type this first of all. P Kerteng Wait, okay. Yeah, that one. Wong le itu la goy di pro le unu di kasino to karan no pro headshot chibun yo kill chibun chip to be chibun kasau kill 14 kills already. Wow, I am KHASI. Ha 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 ha. Have you heard Punjabi song before? No. Can you sing one song for me? Maybe you can tell the name of the song. Are you on OnlyFans? What is that OnlyFans? No, I'm not. Yo, no. Adrian nga akan pernah ka channel kami ne tang ba. Hama you dapat mlak klik kata kaling di ong mlak klik kata kaling mun ta mlak. I am Viranas. Your name is Viranas. Ngadang Sean kamay DORA 1 like 1 subscriber. Thank you Kasidik. Thank you. Of your voice is just like super nice. Oh really? Of your voice is like peace. Now I understand. Thank you my personal dictionary. You are the best here. Kaya Klay lại dân đậm. Why beautiful girls need to be on why beautiful girls need to be on OnlyFans? I don't know. Check my comments. Where is your comments? Why haters? I didn't see it. Let me check, okay? I'll give you 200 redeem code if this stream reach 400 likes. I promise you all. But I don't know whether it will reach or not. I am not good at this. Lek kay lang yan nila jit. Kay lek kay lang. Kas prit tamo tip channel lek kan gale hi. Himar ngar welcome to my stream. Family welcome to my stream. Please type. I've already type, okay? You can go and check. Adgil le DORA okay to one. Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 rupees or maybe 300 likes. Maybe, just maybe. I don't know because I'm not good at communicating with other people. That's why my stream is not that much good. But I think so. One day I will try. Why young DORA? I don't know how to sing. How I can't. Let's do this 6 minutes. Okay, I don't know how to sing actually, but I will try. Okay. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you, my personal dictionary. So elegant, just looking like my favorite song, Yaria by Kurp. How to pronounce it? Give 1 lakh. Oh my god, Adlang Pajay. Hello DORA, how was your day? Yeah, it's somehow good. Kinda like my day. Wow. Beautiful chick. Like you deserve to be on OnlyFans. Actually, not all girls are OnlyFans players. Some are FreeFire player. Hiha. DORA ngas kunya so fila goy le ba prash ong hi tumo kador pagum shirit eh. I will buy you. You'll buy me? Really? Can you buy me? Really? You thought you'll be able to bought me? Yang atu versus 6 game mas ay katok slide. Mas ay slide. In your heart. In your heart. You want to buy me in your heart. Means you want me to wear your name in my heart. Like right? Double vector. Seriously, he's just carrying double vector. See? Kadum tumo. Guy. Backen double vector. Backen double vector. DORA, la biar segi kesauru ipi le bong le langsung mati le tak tahu so. Lai, setang ini lah jendap. Setang palai lah. You already input dia untuk already input. The player are not doing on top. Yeah, they are spamming all of them. Hey DORA, I think seseorang akan menyewa aja dengan saya. Nggak ada pandingin le full map shua. Let's complete 300 light. I'm gonna give you guys redeem code, okay? Tika mikir siat li belalia. Please decrease the gun sound. Oh, okay. The gun sound you mean to say. Why is it too much? Is it too much or something? Wait, okay, I'm gonna check it. Do you have a map? Because I keep getting lost in your. Hi. You're really very good at this pickup line, right? FY? You are very good at giving a pickup line. I'm gonna decrease the sound a little bit. What the heck? Did you do something? And you didn't tell me anything, lol. Damn it. You're so stupid. Tuna stang real light. Let's complete a 300 like. I will give you guys a redeem code again. Shim dawai, shim sandi dawai. Now full map not said Dora. Oh, it's stang real light. Stang sound light. You only for you, dear. Really? Okay, you. Maybe I will see you. What to say? Maybe I will see you in Instagram. Can I get your IG? Maybe or maybe not. RG and Thor. Actually, I used to keep that sound a little bit low, but today someone changed it, so I don't know. I'm really sorry. Yeah, wait. I have to take my medicine first of all. How pra sui mana ini? Wanda me. I still take it. Thank you so much. Thank you for becoming my member. Thank you. Harry Gaming, welcome to my stream. Wait, I'm gonna take my medicine first, okay? Damn it. Who is this duplicate KHASI Dora? Who is this duplicate Dora? I knew you know Hindi song. I know little bit. Yeah, Arjit Singh song. Ladam. Okay, let's go mangin redeem code. Those who win will get 30 rupees redeem code. The password is 69. Okay? Password is 69. And the winner will get 30 rupees redeem code, okay? Are you guys ready? Password is 69. Dora, subscribe lang channel jong aru. Mentah patlong tele dang don ayu. Mentah dang don hayu, takadaw dang don harum. Dang don stream, I mean to say. Presently we are in stream, so we can do anything. I will subscribe your channel. You can send me personally if you want, okay? I'm gonna give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ID room. ID room kong Dora. The winner will get 30 rupees redeem code, okay? Yeah, the winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. For 7, right? Yeah, it's for 7. And here is the room ID. Got it? You got it right. Give me your IG. I will follow you. It's KHASI or wait, I'm gonna give you. Yeah, you can take that. That's my IG. Our life is like a thorny rose, not perfect but always beautiful. Wow. A to Z channel. How pra kong Dora, how pra. Keren kai keren shisha. Em shisha kan ba job yo you. Lagu hingan keren kai le you ba job yo. Mday ar pau. Lai pau. Oh my god, aesthetic, thank you so much. Actually, you should not do this. You are still a student. You shouldn't do this, okay? You are still a student, but I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for becoming my member. Love you. I love you. Password, room ID, udah tay. Amangan I biang room ID. I'm gonna give you guys room ID again. Okay. And your password is 69. Password di hidup kandai. Password flatip hi. Password is 69. Okay? Password is 69 as always. Oh, la cendap kulai. Password hidup kandai kulai la cendap. You run around, throwing dirt on my name. Which no, tak nak apply should let you. Cause you know that, I'll call you up. Create let day. Create ra. Yeah, password is 69. I have 60 rupees, so I bought your membership. Thank you. My personal dictionary. Ngaday, blah blah. Ngaday, new subscriber modera. Best bahapat gameplay jom official. Kumta semua. Thank you. Harry Gaming can join. Boleh. What happened? 1 minute. Okay. Baby Panda, welcome to my stream. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Thank you very much. I'll come back, miss. Okay. Arbon Paryong. welcome to my stream. All of you, welcome to my stream, and thank you so much for everything. Kita buy super chat nih. Thank you very much. Okay, I will tell you guys again. Kinong job kin yo live ho redeem code mo. Yo live ho din ka ba job? The winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. Yeah, the winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. The winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. Winner will get 30 rupees redeem code. Yay, no team up, okay? Bali DORA ka live stream yung pika pau kumne kam pau video bet naman nga stream shot ta kataw. Shan Gaming, thank you. Ani ini di super chat balai ni deh. Pila ai super chat lai sin. La pau lai sin fi super chat. Thank you Shan Gaming. Love you. Mwah. Bye con, have clean bye. Sẽ cần được là sai mo. Cũng nó cầm lòng, balik cầm lòng. Thọ ID iway pra san lai not san sao nyo tu password din rup kon dai long. Password is 69. Password is 69. No need to tell. Thank you because I'm your sister. Oh yeah. You are my personal dictionary. You are my sister. You are my everything. To ai lang to ID room se. ID room la ai piklam yo ne. La yo te room ID ngal. Ai te room ID house scroll stationing. To I lang to room ID lab I password is 69. Password is 69. Okay. Oh, it's already full. Now I have to start the game. So I'll see you guys again after maybe after some time. But try to check your room. Okay. Let's go. Kes kul mare miknya tata. Unde ba bikili ba shutia pal DORA. Oi, Shan Gaming. Oi.
FreeFire India is set in the virtual
Yes. Hola. Mana ni stream? Ngan kai pisha am kini ba ko stream gi dan KHASI juni ba ko stream am stream shot untuk ka style ha stream shot. What's your real name? My real name? You want to know my real name? I will tell you on my birthday. Okay? I will tell you on my birthday. My birthday is coming soon on January. My birthday is on January. I'm gonna give you guys giveaway too. So you can come and join if you want. In KHASI language, everyone speak very fast like you. Is that? Yeah. If you want me to speak in my language, I will speak in my language, but you will get confused, right? My real name is Putaro. Elang, your real name is Putaro or something? I took you what's blue. Okay, I took you what's blue. Okay, and I took you what's blue fish. Shim pila ice per channel. When is your birthday? My birthday will be on 10th January, okay? My birthday will be on 10th January, and I hope I will see you there in my stream. In advance, happy birthday. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi Nightbot kwa le one se. Nightbot la kan roy video. Damn it. Cool. Nightbot. Cool. Ni ba scam dan habo peak. Scam is in peak. I don't know. Ani ka view am ka kyo ka hiar tang ba. Ka style pa namar ba ka he view. India he. What? Hey, aesthetic edit. Thank you very much. You shouldn't do this actually, but I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, my dear sister. My personal dictionary, my everything. How can I say in Hindi? I don't know. Thank you so much. Thank you. Come on, Scam. Come on. You got this. Oh, Gamer. Oh my goodness. Another one. Oh, bhai sab. Very dangerous. He got headshot or something. Yeah, he got headshot. Thank you, aesthetic. Thank you so much. My name is Puklen. Kerjaan lang ini lisutiale. Your server? My server is Indian server. Yeah. Are you from North India? Yes, I am from North India. My server is Indian. Oh, I think so. After this match, I have to off the stream. It's already 12 o'clock, and I have to respect someone decision too. So yeah. Kili stream no mo elang nadep kan mo sa ayo. Sa li stream no mano mo nadep kan off number ba. Ngamlong rapin metan mo tasngi. Fake friend bado itu tu. Bado ya krit pan ni bado hanya. Hindi मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. मुझे हिंदी नहीं आती. Subscribe lang ka channel jo nga ru yo atang live stream ni rap. Okay ta am check mo. Oh, sa saan yung sa text nga po? Ayun sa INSTA po. WhatsApp man sa subscribe. Yung sa dari pa yung open lang mentak ng once a night, but one versus one. Karshan Pengrup, welcome to my stream. Can I teach you Hindi? Yes, of course. Oh, I'm very blessed if you teach me Hindi, really. I must be a very lucky girl if you teach me Hindi. Sister, is your real name? Your real name is Dora? No, my real name is not Dora. Dora ba kapna ba ban at lang? Hey, kung nung ta haba pide moderator tale. So kumaw pide moderator te. Muche Hindi nahi aati. I know now, right? I know how to speak Hindi little bit. Oh, yeah, I know how to speak Hindi. I know how to speak Hindi little bit. Little bit. I will try. Yeah, मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. What does it mean? He said that he didn't understand anything, maybe. Lol. Gosh, this is a really something. It's fun though. It's fun. It's very fun. I like it. Oh my. Oh my. Kaile, siya kawang matadam. Oh no. Siya ngin effect pala yung kilbon mo na yung kilbon la. Kini siya po na 00 la yung blood merokhat. It is too late now to say sorry. Cause hola guy. Missing more than just your body. Immortal with whom you are fighting, immortal? Can I teach you Hindi too? Yeah, you can. Don't understand mean मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay. I will learn from my personal dictionary actually. This my personal dictionary as well as my teacher, my sister, she will teach me. Right? You will teach me, right? Ang Dora but subscribe lang channel jo nga. Paru wadan channel se you make. Immortal hacker. Immortal you hacker. They say that you are hacker. No, he is not a hacker actually. Can you teach me Japan? I don't know how to speak Japanese. Can you teach me Japanese? Let's complete 170. Let's complete 170 together, okay? 170 gays. What does it mean by GAYS? I don't know the meaning. GAYZ. Why can Dora ngamti pala? Me play is game. Well, I don't even understand what you mean to say also. Immortal. Amut karwit 1 versus 1. Hang niya pa nungam tibra. Wow, you are a good singer. You are a good singer. Really, like, you are insulting me or something. The light in the dark, only the night remains. I don't wanna get used to it. OP pin. Yo, kanong kill? How many kill OP pin you got? You got 1 kill. Okay, no problem. At least you got something, na? At least you got some kills. Immortal, you are fighting with whom? I don't know that guy. With whom you are fighting? Boom, headshot. No, not headshot, body shot. No, not body shot. He just hit with that monster truck. No light in the dark, only the night remains. I don't wanna get used to it, but I already have. Only hearing the white noise, the sounds of the street. If I couldn't hear a thing at all, I think I would fall apart. With you, I laugh. With you, I cry. These simple feelings I have for you, maybe they are all I am. So tell me when I will see you and look you in the eyes. I will pull you close to me and say that I miss you. Create buông la yap. Justin Bieber your fan. No, Justin Bieber is not my idol. Actually, my idol is Bangtan. Yes, start biang Dora please. Okay, dal ada paning lahap mancung no, nama lakat artam teh. After this, I will off the stream, I guess. Yeah, and those winner you can. Oh my goodness, how is that possible? And the winner, I wish you get 1 million subscribers. I hope so. Whenever you sing a song, I feel like I'm in heaven. Lol, you're just okay. Thank you. By the way, start biang saudara. After this much, I have to off the stream. I have to respect someone's decision too. Hey Nightbot faong noob yang one hayeng janga para maroy. Oh my god, very dangerous. My Nightbot is drunk tonight. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll meet you guys tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow also I will stream, and that tomorrow I will stream 7 o'clock. Yeah, maybe 7 o'clock up to 12. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, like, yes, stream no. Angel. Okay, let's stream. Guys, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you, sister. Thank you. You're very, very, very sweet. Candid, let's share. I can send a clear. Manu ba siya define clear. Actually, I put you can shish. Put you put you know, put you kill. Put you can like kill like I mean, Dora. Come to some so up next game here. Is that your parents' decision? Is that your parents' decision? No, it's doctor decision. Yeah. I wish you get infinite million subscriber. Thank you. I wish I get that too. Okay, and thank you so much for subscribing my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. You came tomorrow, okay? I will stream 7 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah, I will start streaming at 7 o'clock tomorrow actually. Oh my god, it's only 2 hours. Actually, I used to stream like 5 hours. If I stream 5 hours, then too, it will be 15k views. But okay, no problem. Sometime. Balik off na apa amdan ba stream hero. Belum ta? Entah semua. Okay, apa tah dengan teks lagi ni. Subscribe lang no, iyo stream lang jang ako no. Lashay yang ni 1 versus 4 but Rizal mana ban le 1, mana ban le 4. Who will play 1? Who will play 4? I don't know. Who will play 1? Who will play 4? Kaya mga play rin Romeo got 0 kill. Come on Romeo, you will get 1 kill. Oh my god, nice one. Like you pandang yung immortal like you pra-kill. But yo iba Romeo hindi yo si kill tang ba ila yo headshot pan. Okay, 1 versus 6. Iba scam don hane, iba scam ya kredit ban iba scam. Mga way mo, Rizal marway mangisangod. Okay, tata. Saong ya Rizal ban hane mo. Saong ya Rizal ban hapo stream jang. Another one ba scam. Oh my god. Headshot only red number. Paingal kay pa Rizal. Okay, sure. FY haters, hello FY. I think I will off my stream after this match too. We were waiting for you. Where are you? Why you disappeared? If it will possible, I will give my life to you. Thank you. That's very sweet of you. After streaming, accept my friend request on Insta. Okay, sure, I will. 50 subscriber. Whose channel is 50 subscriber? Make Angel channel. Make Angel Gaming. Okay, I will subscribe your channel. Don't worry. Online GK. Welcome to my stream, but I have to off it, right? Yeah, I have to. Love from Nepal. Love from Nepal. You are from Nepal, Harry. I don't know that you are from Nepal. You didn't introduce yourself, though. Good night, Dora. Don't stop singing. Your voice is feeling something good, really. But Scam, thank you so much. That means a lot. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. Hey, we are nearby. Okay, we are staying nearby. I stay in Bangladesh border. Ha. Pila kaya dekat phone Android. Mana boleh kaya phone Android? Had your dinner? Yeah. I have my dinner already. I had my dinner already. Thank you. Dora sa penlekai biang na step mo height ngan pen to check my comment dia. Where is your comments, my sweetheart? Kan ni pilek kai dekat phone right am hinga kam lek rang lek dak bisita. Where is your comments, my dear? I'm gonna check it, but I didn't find any. I found only that hello. I found only that one. Yeah, I found only that one. I have a second channel. I don't have many subscribers, but I have to keep. Oh my god, so you are a YouTuber, sister. You are a YouTuber too, right? So yeah, I found a YouTuber in my YouTube channel tonight, who is also my personal dictionary and my sister. Dora, oi, jet mar banyangkum do. Sapan le shoe squat se Dora lano. Is there too much cold weather in Meghalaya? Yeah, very, very cold. Accept my induces. Okay, sure. I will accept everyone. Can you give me 100 diamond? Do I have diamond? Okay, after this I will check, okay, whether I have diamond or not. Yes, but I have only 2k. 2k also, you are a YouTuber too. 2k, it's not a problem. Once upon a time, me too, I have 2k subscriber. She squats a DORA la no. Ang gay la labon para tagan ng chat ko makli. Siya mo yan. Mana ban job isyam ni job ipen ni job itu way bahasa alasan tu way. Isyam, ipen, but no. Only hearing the white noise, the sounds of the street. M1. I think so. M1 will win this match. Oh no. Oh no. Are. Please, what happened? Debarani. Oh, something. What's your name? Me too. I'm close with Bangladesh. Kumta semua. Where are you from? I am from Northeast. I'm not feeling that much good tonight. I'm not feeling well, I mean to say. I have sore throat and maybe I will catch cold and fever. Who knows? I have to take care of myself first, right? So I'll see you tomorrow. Kelega FreeFire. Angel. Tomorrow. Please, okay, I will check. Okay, Anas, I will check. I wish to get 100 diamond. Please, I will check. Okay, if I have diamond or not. Kasuru bas nusumha kadur pan. Mshire. Answer me. Where are you from? I am from Northeast. You know Northeast? I am from Northeast. Okay, I'm from Northeast. Who will win? M1 or Shem? I think so. M1 will win, or maybe Shem. Why sub? How is that possible? Okay, those who win the match, you can come in. How to say? You can come in WhatsApp, and I will give you the game code. Okay. Once upon a time, and the story is pending. I mean, once upon a time, me too. I have only 1 subscriber. Yeah. Long ban join nang hoy long balim long. Long. Ale join nang brok hoy. Do you know Hindi? No, I don't know Hindi, but aesthetic will teach me. Right, sister, you will teach me, right? I trust you, okay? But shall we can? Yung page there. I number WhatsApp yung Fedora. You want my WhatsApp number? Like seriously? Check now, please. Okay, I'm gonna check my. See, I got only 0 diamond, and you 1 diamond. How is that possible? I will complete it tomorrow. Okay. So panlek kay biyang lasay mo hi tomorrow. Okay, you come tomorrow, and we will play together. And okay, let's complete 8k first of all. I'm gonna wait for you guys. First of all, let me accept your friend request. 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5? How come? You didn't get my ID? Okay, I'm gonna give you. Here is my ID. Take it. I'm gonna give you my ID, and you send me friend request. I will accept you. Okay? Here. That's my ID or something. Dora ngal-attack WhatsApp mga bajab hoy ta mo ngan sa check mo. Sister, yes, you take rest. Health is wealth. You are more important. Okay, thank you. You are not from Bangladesh? No, I'm not from Bangladesh, but I am from Meghalaya. You know Meghalaya? I think you know. Yes, I think you know. Come on, send me friend request. I'm gonna accept you. Pare doraktin la jong rulak let's say namar kibun ki itle sis Virginia nong dhar kibun ki dikharte takadang hapan communicate lang mat pareng mat khasi. Mde de bang kerendang pareng mde de bang kerna khasi kidon lang ki dikhar takadang hap communicate lang mat pareng khasi. Turu klayut. Send me friend request. I will accept everyone. Fast. Okay, to Naruto. Dora mane first game job nga. Tangba. The number WhatsApp rejong pi. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Okay. Shim the number WhatsApp nga. Private. Prakhandai Arsan. Not Arsa. 8118925 You can take that. Tomorrow I will join to play. Yes, you can. Một thẻ nó anh hỏi cái nhà một bạn thẻ nó ta ngà sung biom klik tapi kalau start rendang em ta kadau. Te yo ngam la stream sila shai te long em ngakwa ban stream la shai ru. Ta ang khandiat. How far is Meghalaya from India? It's like, okay, I will tell you how far. It's very, very far. It's like from planet Mercury up to Pluto. Ban lẽ you friend request ngam chu fit kan thai rang hat mo. ngam ora even you tang batay long yo le kai lang ong at least tumo I need to give me gift. Listen, see, I have 0 diamond myself too. I have 0 diamond myself too. I need a gift. Come on, give me gift. I want to change my name. This is not my name. I just bought this ID. Anyone want this ID? If you want this, then I will give you 3,000. What language are you speaking? I am speaking KHASI language. Like, you see, my channel name is KHASI DORA. I'm speaking KHASI language, okay? KHASI language. Yes, I know Mikhalia, one of my friends there too. Really? Sister, do you have any real sister? Yeah, I have 2 sisters and 4 brothers. I have 2 sisters and 4 brothers. Bye-bye mo. Okay, bye-bye. You are Cristiano. Name is Land. Penrunggil yang Dora. Okay, sister, do you have any real sister? Yeah, I do. I have already read that, right? Dora, I love you. I love you too. I love you. I love you too. You are Cristiano. I love you. You never read my comments. Are you FY haters? I didn't see it, really. I swear, I didn't see your comments, really. If I saw your comments, then why would I ignore it? Dora, pi ay kateng kum no Insta, ay kateng KHASI Dora. If I see your comments, why would I ignore it? I will read it for sure, but I didn't see it, really. I swear, I didn't see your comments. Shnarum tadira ema shafa, am shnar famta. Ngalamut ya nota. I know KHASI, my mother is KHASI. Really? Really? Yo ayo mentan bajob mentan kita bajob mentan ngelasen to WhatsApp number. Those who get boya, I have already sent you my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in WhatsApp, okay? I have 50 brothers, 76 sister, and 100 gay. Lol. Madu agay le nungay. Tumo daw sa follow yang sa follow bag yang Insta rupiah ka tengom no nga kampat check Insta reta ka daw ngapoy siya to maura kan mau jakali kai ngampat poy le siya maura jakali kai. Oh nice, but I don't have any real sister. I have 2 brothers. Also, you are the only girl in your, you are the only girls including your siblings, right? Ani lit thait nga ya fa jet mar banyang balay jayu ni na ibot nga uli kum ni. Dora, love you. I love you too. I have follow you on IG. Okay, I will respond it, okay? ID jong Dora auto ID jong ha. I'm gonna give you guys my ID once again, okay? Ap ngan ID ang le ngalale do ni account thamai udat to account barim lu tang ba ngale account thamai dalam tas ni ta daw. Sham. I have given you guys my ID here. Take it. This is my ID. Barem I block. Barem na do block. Bajob to your redeem code. Shnabi ang mabhe Dora noob ani ngamut thi ano ta. Ngamut thi ano man ta. Kibarem par yo ayu kibarem te kin sawan biang lasai dengan I redeem code. Tomorrow I will give you guys redeem code again, okay? You come tomorrow, I will give you. Yeah, tomorrow also I will give you 60 redeem code. Mano to ba? I gonna watch you till the end of my life. Really, RG and Thor. Really? Then thank you so much in advance. As to take edit, thank you. My personal dictionary. Thank you so much for teaching me some basic Hindi in my stream, and I hope I'll see you again, okay? Subscribe lang ke channel YouTube Ashan Gaming mo. Gitu gipapait ya kaning stream, so subscribe lang ke channel YouTube Ashan Gaming. Nang ta send nambahan ye. To balik nang temo ngala iron number. Okay. Elang. Lol. I want to marry KHASI girl. Can you teach me the language? Sis? Yeah, sure. I will teach you if you want, but you have to come in Instagram, okay? I will teach you if you come in Insta. Otherwise, how can I teach you here? Yes, I am the only girl in my siblings. Okay, then nice sis. But you have extra sister from another mother, and that's me. And yeah, I hope so. I got Snoop to rubber lagay. Yes, I'm alone. I'm the only girl in my siblings. Sometimes you feel lonely, right, sister? KHASI garo hindi good night because balatay. Hello from India server. Hey, Veer Life. Welcome to my stream. Karshan Lindo. Hi Dora. Oi. I was wondering if you have a bandit because I just grabbed my knees falling for you. Oh my god. Yeah, I have. Come. I will help you bandage. Come. I will help you bandage your wound. Come on. Come fast. Yes, you are my sister. Thank you. Pang mansim ham ta kamit. Yarap lang Dora. Bali jayu. Last please. What happened? Why your heart is broken? New subscriber from India. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Veer Life. Thank you. Thank you very, very, very much. Thank you. You are the best. Thank you. But lun comments nga kampay nga kami ito fagots nga ni isye. Nangayo puli ben. Petal Life GTX no. Okay. Dora, I want to play with you 1 versus 1. You want to play 1 versus 1 with me? You know that I am noob already and you want to play 1 versus 1 with me? Like seriously? How come? How come you want to play 1 versus 1 with me? You know that I am noob and you want to play 1 versus 1. Oh, that's so sad. Send me your photo. I think I will send you in Instagram. Okay. Hey Dora, your real name starts with which letter? With B. I follow you already. Check my name. Okay, sure. I will. Okay. I wanna play with you, but I am from India server. This one is Indian server too. This ID is Indian server too. See, it's Indian server too. This ID is Indian server too. See, here it's written India. You can play with me. Take my ID and we will play together. Shimfriend Dora, okay ta. Abang Shimfriend siya. I will take you guys in my friend list first of all. Oh, only one though. I got only one friend. How come? How come I got only one friend? You don't want to be friend with me? I got only one friend though. Oh, send me your Instagram ID. It's KHASI Dora. KHASI DORA. Here, I think that one. Yeah, your ID please. You want my ID? Okay, I'm gonna give you once again. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys my ID once again. And here you got it. Thank you so much for 199 super chat. Okay, thank you very much. And my personal dictionary, thank you so much for teaching me some basic Hindi. Okay, thank you. Seriously, help me. I'm drowning with emotion tonight. You can contact me. I will help you. You take my phone number. I have already given you my phone number. You take it and we will see you. Okay, so love you. Thank you so much. Can I have your number? Yeah, sure. I have already given you my number. You didn't see? I have already given you my number. Just scroll it, okay? Just scroll. My number end with 24. That's my WhatsApp number. You can go and check. Kamal Gaming. Hi, baby. Hi, Kamal. Welcome to my stream. How are you? Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? आप कहाँ से हो? Yeah, I know. Because my sister is teaching me Hindi. Yay. आप कहाँ से हो? Please check. Just send request. Okay, give me your ID. WhatsApp number I have already given you guys. WhatsApp number. Kamal Gaming, India. Oh, you are from India. Then nice. Oh, really? Oh, so cute, so nice. Okay, then thank you so much for visiting my stream. Wow, so many. I have to take you guys on my friend list. Come on, fast. Come fast. I will take you. Yeah, I will take you on my friend list. Come fast. I will take you. Evil Eva S3. I have already accepted you in my friend list. Actually, this is my second account. I just bought this account today. Okay, my first account is this one. I'm gonna give you my first account too if you want, but not now. Okay, I'm gonna give you my first account. And you? Me too. I am from Northeast. I am from NE. Where are we? It's so cool. Your number is only 9 digits. Really? My number is only 9 digits. I'm gonna give you again. Okay. Take this one. You can take that. Itu bajop sa gitu bajop sim to number mo sa text nga po WhatsApp. Itu bajop kan? Gitu bajop sim to number sa text nga po WhatsApp. Okay. Thanks for accepting my friend request. From which country you are from? I am from India. You know India? You know Northeast India? I am from India too. I'm from Meghalaya. You know Meghalaya? Oh, it's so cold. It is too cold. It's too cold. Habibi, it's very cold. I'm shaking on my boots right now. Sending kong mga subscribe if he may he payaling do siya sa mo. Dang shuan man ta. Here, how is it possible? I don't know how. You can take my ID. I'm gonna give you again. You take my ID and send me friend request. I will accept you, okay? Yeah, take my ID and send me friend request. I will accept you. All of you, okay? Take my ID. I will send you or you send me friend request. I will accept you. All of you. Sai Sandeep. Hi. Welcome to my stream, Sandeep. आप कहाँ से हो? Yeah, आप कहाँ से हो? Hi Dora. Oh, hey. Which city? You know Meghalaya? Did you guys know Meghalaya by any chance? I think so. You guys know Meghalaya. I think you guys know. And thank you so much for 199 super chat. Thank you. Love you. I biang tu number sis. Scroll si jurong la sis. Shu scroll kum to. Shu peniat tu ang apa biang tu number. Are you rapper too? No, I'm not a rapper. I'm not a singer. I'm just a gamer, maybe. But I want to be a singer, if possible. Ha ha ha. It's very cold. Really, it's very, very, very cold here. It's very cold here. Mga te penar, penar. Good night, Dora. Good night. Good night. Hello, ma'am. I am from India. Wow, Rahul. Welcome to my stream. I joined many times in your live stream, but I never get a chance to play in your room. Okay, you can send me friend request, and tomorrow I will invite you. You will be the first one who will play tomorrow, okay? Yes, tomorrow also I will give you guys redeem code again and again and again. Tiano hoy kin papatangan tiano. Tiano is there. Pagal gamer, hi, hello, hello, hi, hi, hello, hello, hi. What's your age? I will tell you in January. January, it's my birthday. Then I'm gonna tell you my age. Okay, I have follow you. Okay, kid voice. Okay, I will accept you. I will follow you back. Indian again? Yeah. Kanas nam Vidora ani nga lahe. Please, ma'am, Rahul, what happened? Is there how can Peter kanas na miss ani nga lahe alam mo. Tum kase I don't know how to speak Hindi. Kamal Gaming, I don't know Hindi. I don't know Hindi. Me too, I want to play too. Oh my god. When will you start live tomorrow? 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. January, your birthday. Which date? 10th. Okay, 10th January. Yo iwa. Em pangasyong hane. Di ba nga yo iwa elang nga yo view pa ka yo sibun pa ne ta kadaw nga syong hane. Bye dear, I'll text you on WhatsApp. Okay, bye bye. See you on WhatsApp. I miss Indian server. You have Indian server ID also, right? Chloe, bangala thajap. Are you with na? Where are you from? I am from NE. Mohit, who is this Mohit? Unfiltered. Hello, hi Mohit. Hi Mohit. Hi Mohit. Welcome to my stream. Welcome all of you. And I follow you. Okay, I will follow you back. Okay, wait. You speak the Hindi? I don't know Hindi. Hindi nahi aati, something like that. मैं Hindi nahi aati or something. I don't know who teach me Hindi. I forget. One of my sister teach me Hindi just in stream before, and I know little bit. My God. Okay, guys. If I keep continuing blah blah with you, then I will forget. I will miss my sleep. So I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'm gonna sleep now and I'll off the stream. Okay, I'm not able to understand your language. Okay, wait. Okay, what a coincidence. My birthday is also on 10 January. If I hit us real, for real? I mean, are you for real? Damn it, are you for real? Kamal Gaming, I am not able to understand your language. I will speak slowly, okay? I will speak English slowly. I will try to speak Hindi. When Dora speak with Makar, she forgot us the KHASI people. No, it's not like that actually. But sometimes we need to, we need to get, ngidam audience, tagadam. Kriat le. Ngapuli Uy ha ketika make angel kita ki ba ayu le ki moderator le ngampuli. Ki moderator kini ki bayo blue tick le KHASI ngampuli ra namar ba. Ki moderator. Your dictionary is here. Abhi to Hindi boli aapne. What does it mean by that? I don't know. Create. Just say मैं Indians को पसंद करती हूँ. Oh, okay. मैं Indian को पसंद करती हूँ. tamo kriat love you Dora tika angel le te amon de kan du iti angel lempat le boko palat Miss Dora ya thu lem se fil an konas nem ngase thu banai baning kong mo dan jingkan men ngase thu banai baning kong ma hey Doraemon ana 620 welcome to my stream ibat har ngala attack se Dora sa save number jonga mo ho ai sa text nga WhatsApp mo I'm gonna see you guys in WhatsApp. Are you from India? Yeah, I am from Northeast. You know Northeast? Manini ba atori banroy nyang mi game over. Tiano ong ba ibet ta fangan tiano. Mahi filing do happy si play game mo dora ngasul stream na nga thala kai. Keep you subscribe no channel jo nga ho ito shan amo sat ayo sa text nga mo shan. Sa pangan mawi nga sa text mo. Miss Aradia. Aratia. How to pronounce your name? I don't know. And welcome to my stream, all of you. You just speak English. It means sis. Oh, really? Ngarut na siya dapat himo. Tu kriat leo guy. Kaya kam upload comments ru puli fire ru bumat. At pa ngala sim friend ru ifa. No Hindi, sorry. Yeah, I don't know Hindi. Me Hindi nayati. Okay, nakat ladip simpa ngaladip sim friend. I hate you. Why you hate me? Wow, why you hate me? Kifa kap nap la guys. I will see you guys tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay? Can I have to your WhatsApp number? Yeah, you can go and take it. Good night, baby. Good night, friend Melilo. Please. Okay, what's your in-game name? Tell me your in-game name. I'm gonna give you one last time my ID. Okay? I'm gonna give my ID to you one last time. You take my ID and you send friend request fast. Tiano, wahe niya pihe niya shu rela akut katamit ho nyan tiano asta. IG, my IG, you want my IG? Sure, I'm gonna give you, no problem. Apa ngamut pendap you taka daw. Lajan hi hasndin ngan setiano hi hatok. Which is your country number, ha? Which is your country number? What does it mean? Which is your country number? Good night. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What about you, Miss Adia? What about you? Don jingkermen har. Okay, to Miss. Good night. Tati asuk mo ba don jingkermen tiasuk. Tiasuk purakoid. Good night ba sa on stream na siya. Second siya ita fa. What's your country number? What does it mean by what is my country number? Where is it? I didn't get it. You didn't get it? You didn't get my number? Okay, sure. Chimba azrat piklam but you asa number jonga. Kumanta. Kumna fiklam yo number jonga. How come you didn't get my number? How? Means like India have 91. Really? But I am from India only too. Yeah, Habibi. AJL, hi, welcome to my stream and thank you because I'm gonna offline now. I'm good, thank you. Okay. All of you are good. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, my dear Siddharth, darling Puting. Thank you very much, my darling. You come tomorrow, okay? Please accept my friend request. Sure, I will, no problem. Oh yeah, so many. Now I'm gonna accept baby girl and try make something. Okay. Draken udang dan hanya du draken ngana mulat ya dang dan draken hanya. Where are you from? I am from Northeast. Where are you from? So your number is Indian. Yeah, because I am India only too. I told you. I thought you have off the stream. I thought so. Me too. Damn it. I'm gonna off now. Iba dekar. Iba aku blame mo pila ada one page stream jangan mana. Good night darling kuting das ni. Good night mo Robin. Good night. Your country name? My country name is India. I am from Northeast. Dora accept ngla I think ngla sim friend. Okay, see you tomorrow. What do you think about loved and happy? I will chat in WhatsApp, maybe in Insta. So now I'm gonna offline, okay? Bye-bye, good night, sweet dreams. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? I number 4 video raw ti si jrong la dab ai ba tok si ti si jrong. Ti asok mo. Good night, sweet dreams. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? I'll see you tomorrow 7 o'clock. Pun ko na ti asok ko ay ti ba Northeast tribal people ngan ti ano hi. Please, I love Northeast, okay? See you tomorrow, okay? You come 7 o'clock tomorrow and we will play together. Okay, bye-bye, love you. Mwah.